26 August 2022 ene ye fiada ene so nyame e de akyeye enti Badwam dwumade no ya hyase e de somo babibia wo social no TV so ufie mu mobile phone ne so ene babibia Facebook na ase no eye wo de asa no pen so woni ye che wadaje kase no de edim akoten bia obetene se dwadifo mo kwa medanso ena wano damu nse ensuo to aya na wo dwane so ho no ayere ede ama wo afen so enipa bi ena wo mboafu efa ekwan a contractor bi wo ye wa kwan de ama won kire se enhwe ni enti wo mo nso asem no aha won pa ebi ka we hu eye Badwam kase anopai ena mekenkan ama afen me hyase
wo pa
Atre aban se wo mu dwane so ho no wo mo sere se mpanifo nhwe no ma wo honya ha fi se edu opebra efutro na nya asem ketoa na asenso a ensuo no toto no sede atache no ano aye de ama wo no eba sa ema adeto ne adeto ye dwadi no entumi enkoyie ema won ti won hwe na wonye nsiesie emfa ma wo
one ye dwane nye ye dwano enye but ye ni atofo omo a baba no kakra bi no omo ba so mu sisi one afeso two ye kwan no enye ya etiduru kwan no emma no emma etofo na omo be timi baba beto na emma no omo ntimi nye de emma kwan no nti kan na sei ebesi nenya ye ntimi ye kwan no yi ye bedu kwan so ye jai afeso ayesa so na anwro be takeye ewo ha ha adwene kase ema ye
Roseberry eye oba ahema owo edwom honom ne dia wo kan ye ewo ensemi ho ne se ye ya wo monenam atechem wo honom no enso honom a na emom se siada enkane ho nsam krampo ewo dwom honom no enya kra afei eba ahonedie ho nsam so a eno so nye oyinti edwa na wotim nankasa de wo hunu de mpanyimfo e de won to a wojeje no eye
na yesra ban se edwa no wonhwe na wonye ne yiye mai light kura ni ha light ba ko pe ya ne ya gbo ho ka ene de light ba ko pe aba ha posu nyina ya ne yakototo bae nti ya de bi a eye wo hawo kase emaye hwedwa ye ni wo chman
ye wo pa
wo mo tonton niema ewo soto ahodo mani asenkafo bi ewo chifu praso a eno ewo eye sa empotem honom no wo mo etre se ekwaya wo DC ye de won fa so no wani nye ho afen so kra contractor wo de eye wo makwan no amano no ekwanya wa fa so a waye kwan no nanka wo mo hwese DC beka bibia fa ho so won ka hwefa ho enti wo mo so wo mo buafu contractor no ena afi wo DC
ba o me ni wodi de ankyerɛw wani de on say contractor no de share chairman Kukubo the former chairman of the share nsa so hwɛ so ma no enti eni ankasa de ye hunu contractor no ye ejima onya road contractor ya no na won wasem say de busa no na highways for na me di kaka no so ka ho
ye nyi kromfo engine komo na ye misa maho a wo krofifi sha krofifi yesie gudos akro di gudos ari be si wakra no kata so be yi se krofifi so krofifi chufu praso desire ni fifi na me gina ya na me no kasa
ebe masa na kwanya we jezre yi sa kota sa nsuyu no wadi gudo sa dan yo sa nsuyu no wadi gu kwan no do wo de fa hwese a masa Masa chese mfutu a wo chufu praso kromin or very very bad onya kra contractor awayifa what is this ya cars ni na de wo fa ofi praso kwa nyina se abobuo
kaswa odupon ofako ahimfie nso aposifo etwa ho ahia de kobae ne se krachi bia wo frɛ no se kwame ode ne ho ɛna wɔkyerɛ se nipa bi omo ye langas for wo ma brimu no pa na ne nyina ne se fibra ɛyɛ kaswa ohia na nka wo hoto ase no onipa wa bɛhye na nan ɛwɔ odupon ofako honom se divisional chief a wɔne nan awo hyitete no menteme ho ase ensasesem ɛna amakrachi wo mo abrim no sa enti se wokɔ wo na ahimfie honom na aposifo etwa ho anya saade besi no enye papa
ahimfie ekyerese nai awoshi ho hyedam fa no ne senti na no mahemfo efato won so se adehie no obeyimu baako amana tiremu kosi se na ehu beto no nenso empanifo ne bi esi sa gyina yewe no na ohene nso esi gyina yese de wofa ase endi na ade kosi se ne ho ebeto no eno ena kofa assignment me ho ase eba ya Bakonam so epra ya posifo nso ebo omanfo ho ban ewo ahemfie. Kwame ode ne ho asese we pray maame ekire se langasifo bi ene bebo ne ba no a ode no akoto ayaresabea. Ensem a esitete edito Adom kase enim enie.
One glass phone, omo di poti, one glass phone, atani. Omo di poti no, omo di abubo bo mi ba no, me wi mo jada no mo ja, nte be ba be nua ba ko di mi kodo keke. Ena mi so be po ho bia no. So ma fo hene. Me ase omo se omo ti ate se ya ask yo hene. Eni won to kwa no no. Me ba bia me se be, me se so ja. So aga na, obi odi ni saka me ba ni bi no. Let e kwa so. Obi odi na no po ka bi no. Me so ja. So aga na.
Assemblly si sano of our comments in the post in Penifo. Any Central East Regional Police Command, Akabumua, one Kokaswa Odupon of our call, Ekoshese Asumji Ebeba. Amanebo free Odupon of our call, Ahimfie, HRC, Nay, Awoshi,
and cry Hanso Metropolitan Assembly City Response Team one more ekua one more year juma ewo Metropolitan nim na one more to ho egumonten so ebra na wohwehwe won tade a wode ekwa adwuma no won sam bia o kache Adom kase nsenchofo bi enese one more te hono ma won hu de waye enampanifo ama won krata se wan adwuma one more year City Response Team no one more atwe asensenti one more kofie asem no anwu won bosonti oto won hu egu monten so
Enra, now can say a special operation. They were Accra Central. But we learn say the youth organizer of Greater Accra, Moses Abo, is against this work of the city response team. In Tokofa Langard from a good Accra to do. So if we come in for the president, we should be beaten up. Now, Sadia way possible because of the character of Moses Abo. I'm going to do my say and you see the Juma. Moses Abo say, hey, Juma say, yeah, come on for a pound. So I'm comparing some for you. I know, you know, most of what I say, you see, may you ball him. Then may you got him. But Benny, say, I see, may you got him. There is only 7 training help on that so that training camp. You got training because we want to enforce the law of the nation. It's hereby, and we are also enforcing the law of the nation. It's the make sure that all 20 or Kwanwa. You got those, you know, Kasa in a very nice way. It's almost more coffee and ammonia. Almost a CZ of Jumano. It's a 50 in Rani and Dano. City response to me and near Juma. There's a more to further notice. Now, Bloody catches on to further notice. I wouldn't say there and not China Befro. Yes, there's a Jumano no mere, Omuguno. But you answer no, you better move, oh, yeah, Jaya Juma. And you ever ask Juma way. It's also a good one, and I see 20 years almost. Because then we say, oh, you don't have any bush. Almost, I'm a bad. In a job, we answer and set a fight, you come by and a day home. In the end, to me, Casse, you judge because of some one person ingredient. It's a dear number, is to see. It is the idea that I say, I can't. Now, I'm a penny. And in the parliament, I'm going to say, Ghana for. Then you say to my MPP and this phone, then you say a party back. A bill and this, a bill MP before. It's young transit. Say, yeah, Ghana, mana, the woman in your task. Say, a bit
Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation for an money in your ton for Ediasia, but I am a Taisa in Shamunetri and say, Robber, what they a ton in your name or Manfono, a baby yassi and a beha Ghana for a pomode, enti, woman won't share a pair quanfufra, or befaswa, or beton yane a diamond officer, robber, nipa, edi equanimuno, one more ton in your neno, and I efacasiano or di edi unjuma.
Entiasiese plastics na ye use no rubber emwaye na eseye nsase na empo ye nipadua no enye ma ye nipadua nse de yete se empo ema sexual dysfunction say use plastic bags na chese plastic bags no emwaye kwan bia so na eno nso akoye ade a se bi nipa binum so eno na omo ye omdididin ekwan be na ye befa so a ye be jai plastic bags na use a omonso anu aduane mowo tisane enkutahudi a ene ye ne ministry no abehia ye di hu kita ho
wonum ba adwumadi yase ode wonum efantetie mu ekyerɛkyerɛ wonum emra eda ho ye wose wodi so wose be ye wobetimi abone ma atwa ho ahia ho eban minister woda environment science technology and innovation ano ene Dr. Kwaku Afriye oni Adom kase etwetwe sa enkomoyi
ene de obedi no rubber mu no eya wonti bibi wo hwene mu Nanka, yana enti no mo package no. Now others they don't know any better. And to educate them. Now first you make a conscious effort. ahabano menkase anye sa anka no yesu anu be hu se na gugu amonten anye ye kura obenya aponchin bia na odwan bia ma na befa wa yin so kura e ho ha be pro plastics yi 500 years na da was asinu mu 500 years and the grade na be bresa ko punu mu ye were islands of plastics in the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. Ghana yasaimra international laws. Our minister on behalf of the president. Minna, Michelle Suse, yeah.
Ejimeko a wofra won se Chartered Institute of Insurance Ghana for na HSE wo mudwumadie no wo mo ahyemu kena emra eda ho so obi ye insurance na sense achi ba dwumadie no bia ekwan yesese wo fa so ma obi ono so ede ne ho ba be hyemu no bibia be kokan ede ama won no won be ma wani ada ho no ahwese wo be ye ne sa se ne be ye omanfo ani beje ho se insurance ana se ensi achi ba no wo de won ho e be hyemu bi.
We are going through ethical seminar training. I do a code of conduct. Now after that, no, the expert say we share insurance professional be our practice insurance. Obedi no crutch. Unya claim insurance professional no, obe processing no wetua ma. Opese wetua premium, obe catch say e wo so wetua premium. Send be ya o claim no say BBC obetimi ayama. And this is what we expect from your members. Ye take you through ethical seminar. After no, we expect that they will serve Ghana better.
Shemu se insiachiba eka ho bi na omaisi kasem etimi ekọ enimu. Senti esefata sempenifo de hye be gu akwemu abosa afa no eho ban.
The make chon say insurance ye adwuma bebre wo Ghana ha. Na wo se ye kan ye stories no more na Ghana to meet ye. O share 2020 annual report na say the buyer. Insurance generated about 4.2 billion in premiums. Out of the 4.2 billion, 1.3 billion or so was paid in claims. So claims when insurance professionals in process here. So we divided 1.3 billion by 12, and as about 365. I'll be say on a daily basis no. Claim my insurance to Ghana han and yesika ketwa. Now so see anka ho asemo a sabe ye hu adwuma insurance eye wo Ghana ha. Na sa adwuma ni nyina no. Insurance professionals or members of CIG and eye. Now adebia na believe say ye betumi akoya nim. Until we know that you are arrival yet, until we can continue to improve. And until Nadibia, you share members, new members, you almost ethical seminar, you are the on a different level.
Ayawaso Central Municipal Health and Environmental Officer Ene Charles Chachu Makati and Wakesi Sudia say Jumedia Wadia Base clean up exercise and also operation clean your frontage no enya de bi se wo ba be ye ne nebi na atwam akode bi eya de betina ho enti bosumi bia obehwe so manfo be prepare wo mpotemo na boa ama honidie ene apomudi ama pa honsem akonkan
ye won hihye bebre wa assembly honu. In fact Ayawaso Central, were business areas. They said Tiptoe Lane and I say circle area hanu. A very busy area. Ente yanida hon debia were edisemu say nyami aduma enye one day wonder. Every day bia ya dream was to say yabayen pa ama a half one. Now the other one is say clean up exercise way and then a special cleanup exercise. In fact, municipality hanu assembly members no we are very active.
In which and a presiding member, any assembly member wa large central who do Ishmai and to one more a was to talk who do a yawaso and an important mo and him say abribia no one more proper when no one month so sabeya a honum betty.
Baby a ejina hanu ya Tiptoe Lane into yama obiara e close ni shop and our omobuaye. Am I cleaning? Now, baby, I be cleaning a now on my way on my shop. Baby, I be cleaning a now my way on my shop. Until you see, I want Tiptoe Lane. You have no one so you call Malata. Until you make sure say road swing in our Betty, Obiana so Betty, I say any frontage. I say, or cleaning, I operation clean your frontage. Oh, response near fine. Omonina are abided by the law. Say yes, omo entumunu omo nyina etiase etumu say o hwe sisi anu ha no nyina ati say obiara enne ha no mo nti ye pese say na ha no eda ho no no.
Badwam kaseɛ no asi Badwam dwumadie no totoa so aba wakwam ɛno nti afia mankwata maklo ɛne kwasinsia ayɛ krado na bonkrata ne monsem no wɔmo ɛde ba besom na afei de ɛkɔso ɛwɔ online nso makenkan ɛde ama enti Adom TV ahwɛfoɔ nyina Facebook for wohwɛ no fie wohwɛ no adwuma mo hwɛ no ka mo yɛma mo nyina akye afia ne kwasi mpamtɔ ma mo akye kwasi akwaba
yeso medase so
waya de moni adwuma
efie bɔkɔ so
awurade adom akire bɔkɔ de ɔkɔ yɛn so
me kɔ de bɔkɔ
ye da nyame ase
makɔ bia ya me nkɔ da akɔ mani so ade tini nyina ye
bibia wɔ ne mre
me sister makro so hye ye
nyame adom ho ye na me so hye bo bi ne wani so nti director etwe akɔ ba bi a unko da at least nka wo bai na nka wo de ho ade bi a nti hu da nti yen so ye wo hu da na ade aba
de o bie nu a mo hu bi da
sa ye ho bi da na ma so unko ba bi a unko da nti ade ya bibi wo ho aye hu sa na me kan unko akɔje ahye ho gba dan ka confirm abasa bi kura na nan a na nka awie nti wo timi akɔ esa nka eba ho de wasi bokode
ready
me unyanti ase next time wo kwa se e po bi kan ho because nye hu adwuma ne so nti ye di achew next time wo ko bi mu a no aka unu a confirm de ne bo onye den akwasi de nyame aye wo to a confirm be 10 bre ya zanka nye hwe nti ya do ase wo ye adwuma maya adwuma ya de se ehunu de aban ne ye because even hunu saa no a ya na omo kan say gigi yasum keke but say ya ye de ani hu bia na ye mampani ya me hira na onkoso anka ho na momo aye de mo ye nyina no ya mo person na ne sika wo ye bottom fi say enipa wo hoi wo be bibia aye akwan kama school adan hospitals no na so send bottom ye dry ya ohu krai so ohu so ti mampani wo ye we nyina na fe wo say ye ne ma me botomu ayema ne mema bebre adane ma nti ene ma no se be dey system no aye nti mampani e do adaroma akwasi so hu ne physical yi they say kofi ampadu say
obema
so nti kran to grapes some say na grapes so na undumi ntoi na kiwi so ene kiwi de aha unto bi da ke tuwa bi ti say 15 cedis enso na ma pomudin o so nti mento pedi kiwi so de ngwa enti akwasi yen shase o ma me yen shase
yo
ane yen fa yi Ghanaian time de bokrata no ento en shase ene anope okay ma me fa daily guide en shase na daily guide ni mo ha say mampani adodan kwakufo ado ne nsama wode eto dwane se NDC will lose 2024 elections no enho asem okope 3 no a ubenya sansam no na mampani foni da ha na kane mampani John Dramani Mahama so ne foni eda animo ha MPP appoint deputy national officers yenko pay 3 woma yi akandifo de nti wo se woma be de kire so won mu yi womo nti ho asem ne ye bete de ekoso delegate pay 6 na no so ede aba my Ghana Food and Drugs Authority ateden ne efi se enei wiase nyina apomuden atena ye kese WHO so Yama FDA pre-qualification status. FDA lab gets WHO pre-qualification status. International say, baby, teachers, the whole Africa, yeah, GB tumu. It's me call a bibra memu. Also to me the year juma.
Okay.
Mame Delis and Andini say. And you ba me da kono why ade woni na dwumayefo ewo FDA ne edi kanfo no adadafo a wo mo ye no so aba beto aso aba
o my ade enti na ye catch o mo ye product ne say FDA catch o say fabra ne nhwehwem ansa na ade asidwa so a omote ho no mo ni agro enti aye amaye ntena nchen ka say na sika na omoje wo ho na da bi fakọ omo wonim de no
no mo ye nyina eboa ye nyina wa adwen o say me product se boni bi bemu a me busori bi nkoto bi eni wo chena behwe na boni na ebemu no akopie ofie na akoya asem de ma fa ko ne yenhwem enfumso ho a yen correct ma ni nyina ntimi enjoy abrabo
na baby a say aye dri kura na say edina na FDA for ayade na ewi asana ade abenwo a wumu baby yete hu ni ntia ye so omunya hwe ye Ghana for na kasa no de wo ye Ghana ha no ye nkasa mpamfa ho no so aka ye ho ye wo bibi ama e konkrofo nyuma mu amafo ye nyuma wo konkrofo nyuma mu amafo ye nyuma pa ba ye tenchen onko ho krada egro ho kro ni baby ku a office kon ne wo na waka no tra na okọ ne baby wono anfa na ni nkọhwe yi o esan so obi akenti no de achi wo de wo akọ na wanso kọhwe ya wade o na mumie ni so de ye wo na de ye wo no ye ni yi a na ye de emfaso na bre nti enu asam kope 3 nya daje na kenkan na ti ase se be ya se se eye FDA approved a wonu se ekonipadua mu a eye papa beto yem sa ya da mo ase nyame hira mo na baby amodure mo ntensan ya ni mu a ene ye kro ye kope 3 so ura Farouk Mahama ena wono so de nsema to dwa week mu say Wednesday na Tuesday your story be about iron and steel companies na ono na ye boche eda no o se de ya bebia no yekura yonkuma na hyehye no afa kura no wo beye no mo timu de munya rohyemu ewo mo ye kope 3 asasam no de aba menhia shut down Oyerpa FM eno so ehu asem okọ pay 6 a da ho daily guide obokrata eno no na ni nyina ye ayi oro odike asem a ono akoka ma atra na nanum atrankonya ni titi wote kokoso ene na nanum ewo ho na obi ibusa se na de na ase asante ye kana asem na ye hwe rebesi afia odike e de no e de bi ampani wasem se ye wo sebi kwankwanwa sen komodie ene ye wo petemu komodie se okesi su se nanama hemfo ye wo asante mantemu ene etu anamo a wo ka ho asem ne e fra se akosia de odike pinpoint o hene baako na se wontimi a na se gu ana pese ogu empenfo ni mu ase 2 o ka ne sa so na se o ka ma na kwa akotia opemso se oto no wa ye nhwe ha no de ne sa hye ndemre fam ana ne manfo ya de ono opemso no kasadetia na aboa me na mentu ase a akoye mansontwe odika osna na mahemfo wa santimantemu ene ka obi ma galamse etu okoso kire ohene baako sei ohene baako sei yo wa santimantemu ono enti ene bia galamse ekoso na traditional area akoye asem enu ade bantman hene kasa yo so odwen niema ho a wonti ase so evidence na wo kan dia fine ene o ke o opemso nana asimasi yo hine ewo aha minimpe face say na wo ye then na santiman Kumasi traditional council Asantuma traditional council atna state one na won say na say na bantman hine otumfo antwenanim no de esere otumfo twinanim wonko pacho na asumdira because they say akwasi mentwa no de akobenti a whole radio station minim nipa dodo wo ho ba de say me how many kura de wo me de aba from kura beka se nipa be 30 de wo mo ye adwuma wo ho na free na ko ene yo yes 26 ayi your friend say August me mo ye adwuma biem nti imagine say asam ne ye ni nwie na boso me ba akutwam me enu twam me ensa twam ne entua wo mo ka na me de bia me te ha me bompa ma me mpanifo akwase twon ne di kan wo mo eka ho ne client on ba ha so wo man fasika ba akokora mmombusu ma so be hye ayi de ni mpo me ko fasika no wai it imagine say ni patati kura no wo Oyerpa FM honom na free na ko yesi yatum ne yatum nso ampa business bia ma ho biem ne aba betua wo ka nti papa adaroma set say chaupa sefata fakoma mpanifo no obi ma me papa nua ba bi oye adwuma wo Oyerpa FM a esa wano asem nti akoka wo mu nyina no yesre mo na wo madwuma nsan kenya wo hu biem we de yesre pa wai na mo we so nya hwea de mo bia yenka asem a yekura nkrata evidence kura fadanse die bra adanse die bes opem so wotwi na hemfo bebranim eti nye we na kebedi kan se ohini bi ya de ono opemso no equality a obeye kataso mu aso ewo so let me say say no so Adom online
na da ha na ma ya che no enti odike yi a momotu nefo no Ono so na somewhere that ha no say nullify banishment before I can come and apologize. Odike to Master Traditional Council. It's no me say mono mwanyanto bi na no pay. Mo kire ho akire Odike. It's no cause say empanifo say wo atwa na su no.
O me ye free on.
Wo be ye free ho no. One won eni chelpa. Eti em say de mo kan de.
So it means that yeah, Odike eke no. Efe baby ni yakoye say. Waje atum so pacho.
Nanso
but yenyi banishment no enfemfiri honum. Se waje atum se wafom na abepa ho acho dia. Go ahead dey kopa acho we.
Okay, cause
go na nanu sem the entire for court.
Okay, to say okay asem nim kakra. So the founder and leader of the United Progressive Party UPP Akwesia Odike has explained his inability to appear before the Kumasi Traditional Council on Thursday. According to him, he failed to show up because he has been banished from entering the Menshia Palace. It is a mona mosimocha mesu. Na Menshia hono and semisi wa. Nene hina mefa kora Menshia and a kwako pacho. Eti no Odike eso asem enono. Na Akwesia Dai said this in an interview on Joy FM's Top Story. Eti I did Joy Yenuanum Joy for Kotun saying I did not go because I have been banished from Menshia Palace and traditional instructions have to be respected. Eti wano so trese mosemisi ho. Na ma ofre me de na ese me de ani de ma mo.
No but see lady unim niema na ya abraho ye se Odike ye asante de hye. Ya onim amamre ene amane ese sempani twa wosu efiri ayimfie. Ni esa to yensa de frewa wo walk through dwanto ahene na de akokosi dwanto na dwanto ahene akompanifo ni makobo amane ese esimesi anaso obentin ye etwa na suni free ahimfie no na nanam opeso oba monim ebesre ebimdie na mpanifo ma dwanto ahene akwanya no wodi wonim e de wako eto Odike be ka chem mpanifo nyi saa asotwe free ansa na otimi akomanhia na Odike kamoni pa fronka kamani pa foforo enka asemwe.
Okay.
Anya wo biti so no.
Into no wasam no. Okay, into na ebika my Joy online adomonline.com asem no ehonti Odike die na ya kenkan kakra e de akere we nti said the na wo ka said the obokrata no I think guide e de buy no. And also wa ha say Kumasi Traditional Council orders Oripa FM to hot broadcast over Odike. Enti no say Nkrofo Joseph na Odike am kwakwa ebibi ohe but whatever it is no yesterday anobrebre e ma abato e wo kyerosemu esanso ye mpani kasa sa anobrebre e ma abato and our police takeover of our core palace after violent clashes left one injured and also kase ebonum mebo amane na kwasinsia ampedu PRO ene tomene imamomwa yen de wa hanie. Also, serious-minded men don't care about Botox. Okay. Well, I'm pedro ya no name mwante. Kwesi udi ene ama for better boy. Serious-minded men don't care about Botox.
Okay.
But from kwesi wa dance here was me hone saying. Udi meme mwedi ya dance here.
Na no krenso wo mso yese. Esu no be happy.
So no bia ho but ye de meme du gina ho no a
no ne obia
eno de wo ho ye te ase ase so no bia now so
if it's talking about responsibility there it has nothing to do with Botox but aware mu anigye de esu no bia pe obi pe oba
aware mu anigye asemo e to ho asem don divert brother
don't divert lady make up of serious men
kwesitie na de otebrofo. Serious-minded men don't care about Botox.
And wanna make a lady because obi one more. Or you serious-minded man, or you businessman. You already in Sikabebre de Befie.
Okay.
I be a man and yaji free person over by the Biana emotional babedaho. No the Tibetos na suma juno. Men can no for me say at war.
I just remember I am that one.
A baby some you no. Hey. No be akwoti ha so de ndedi wa free.
Yes, obedi ho adanse.
Obi afiri kwa ebrentu maba. Na so ahye, okọ ya moku ya atiesi. Ne nkate so. Ya win say pasa. Oba ye nso adwene e wo fie nso sua. Ene ji kakra wo me yesese bio. Na yire to so na so ne tibi kwa kwato so amana so madwono a. Wo de kwa kwato so amana so madwono lady. Say responsibility now can be different market of a serious minded men. Don't discuss bottles near the idea. Hey, open one more person, your bar, and enough modru, or be poor bar 7 enough for you kuma, or be a pair or bar, see a fita, or who is see a fita, and one naniaje. On pebble talks,
okay, director say Ebiana and Memano are dance here. Enti friend, na my sad as you know 0302-211-702 0302-211-703 and 0203-211-704. Sa number see friend we eye Memano asem but eye man so na e kan. Enti Ebiana e man no bi so a wo mo fa memman sem mo.
We ko na mo motofia.
Wo say Ebiana memman sheda.
We ko mo motofia na o mani abra. Omo yesa campaign.
Oze.
Omo tofia na omni abra omo yesa campaign. Hey, that to the friend grow.
Okay, kwesi edi na dance pa cha also for call ne brand nature because the cast see na che say udi sa lady mti dem we e mema asem. Okay, if you betimi aka because your background ne kan ye. Enti e bia na okay, ene mpa cha so was a camp for the aboye na yen kwai. E dey camp no. Ndi e ka ho asem camp. And me there. As a PR na wasam ka baba bi ote no. We need advantage bia. You want to make kasa. But we are say there nyame abode bia ye.
Oh yeah.
Enti wo bi eye. Uni bi nso a bibi wo hono mu a. And so bi cherish ye.
Yeah.
Because and remember me who I said I don't know. Say memma no betie. I'm pedu de obi until so confusing. And memma I don't know. Dear tour a year or more. So, but as one man for year tour no. But baby, now Ukoto Genu, yeah, dear fair grano. Sometimes this is mucho dredge, so me imagine or more to as so I can say. I think I remember no kind of this pressure about too much. Yeah, on a tour, a dear tour.
But if you are a man, dear no more can say serious minded. Not just say yes, say generally no. Remember petwa serious minded men. Let's say remember ni bi how many so serious that we to know a platform cry enye na asema na. Well, mankind we hot tie mankind. Hello mankind.
Yeah, channel.
Remember wo focus. Na wo press wo baba wo modern so wo bobra no eto wo nya wo faso wo. Wasre.
But as a man for videos in Amicia, Chairman Blina, the Okan, I'm saying, a boy, most of them, na aquadro count.
Aquadro were there, huh?
Aquadro, sir.
There be a mancana diverted. And your boss about sir, boss about.
Martin, Papa.
Yeah, Joe. Boss bay, a member we serious minded. No, I am not a man at one and your master more.
Oh, I told him to you. Because said because Mabana, me while your home answer, me the two or ban to swap. And you Jim Kwan and I don't know. Me infinity to sedimental.
Oh, yeah, Papa.
Sure. Pressure system no more.
What's about the way? Pressure system so yo, o san say. E dia dance ya ne enko brothers mulemu a.
Asem na man kan ne dey. Oma anka me ya said you na enye serious because if you are so bia what you ope. Eti na nyame bo nipa different the way pe no we mpe die we mpe. Nti we ya kan kura be na betimi afraka ata ma anachi menso enye saa kwan na nyame pese e fa so obo bia de ma no bi hu eto kura na ne bo afu e obi nso ehu ipatiatia no no so bo afu
enti wo de no se wo hu ato a eya wo de en
asem na
enti ba cho wo se no hu oba wo to a ya no wani je ho em se wa free so eko but
well, I mean,
okay, it's one condemning, but on no moment, dear, on pet. Well, no one no be any taste.
Now, as a boss about now, order and walk over.
Yeah, good morning.
Hey, good morning. What the pana? Oh, nyame adom ya to nkan de ho ye.
Many Obana said no devil to join me.
Yes.
One in a yard.
Yes, because also Casas not minded men. Also, I didn't know body in Ankasa, the critic confusion. What Gavukano only possible to be confused. Indeed, we are serious minded there. And because of one of the confusion. Now, she will not yet your way. Indeed, many serious minded in the or new course animal to cry. As then we will be in a
Yo, yeah, that's it. Serious minded. Why? Was home. That's a watching.
Yo, man, marching on a piano.
Yeah, Joseph Papa. It's you. It would be a hair.
You might not better than Kaka.
It's you.
Hello. It's one of the more canon. It's already a effort. Who will be a effort? Name who be sorry na enkoye. And it's already a saying a medical or beer or conversa, we or born. A do my wound or blow my buhuna or a tian the 12 water wound or a can get the tourist who could do a big one. It is already a Obia the Yamitibo wedding or Obia the Befatan, which is just one of the encourage to my papa area.
If you are not the NSA or pet to one, there's a pet to an hour petrol.
For the Jim someone.
Oh, petrol an hour petrol.
Oh, 20 yes, never will petrol to a moment.
Ever why they
20 will be a winning immediately.
That's a very jealous man. Hey, Diamond Papa.
Mami chira Diamond Papa.
Oh, Obama watching no pay Papa. Na me papa eto no fancy oh.
Me da sepa asemwe akoye hwewutri na hwewoche because man can ya me ba manya asem in fact me pay o ba se hwe kwa ya nyame na ye ko store okropo na mabu da mo hwe mo mata pa o hwe mo pa na ma me tira in fact eto de o papa mani je o papa na atia man kwa kura wo ayibi o na okoki face na o shed nika bi akwese se skin bi na ne to egu pa e wo me phone so abibia me ta pa e wo me phone so me ta pa ti me dia me ire kura ni to dia in fact we are better for now me get wa poma yo me am to so in dia to dia in fact mo na boa atia man kwa bi sale okay we skin bi wo ho o de koki face on am plans go to trap it next to na epele pepa in fact what the penny for the taburo bu no o dia pa na kwa tamado in ma taburo mu ba me ma taburo bu me e na me pa kwa tamado enti o papa kiss me eto
enti na wo ba na me no o ka no kra do ka no kra enti na wo ba na me no anope o ba ma ati wa e da se enti no e na che say adanse no ye gira akisi me de esu de esi because we no wa kire wa tumire e na wa kire sie a e kire say eto no de na che say kamia yo sesa o de man asem no ye adwuma wa ha me papa kisi me onye serious minded enti ye to ho ya no but whatever it is no
ahoya no me ye serious minded asem
e ma ne koma to and a democracy so nti obi atumi kire na adwen enti saa e ma no wo mo akire wo ma adwen but wo hwe course na e ba ye na apaya na
empire
ndo omo pe
abaya ho me ma ne pe
to
de kwesi ano de empire
but oh omo be kire mu bebre at the end of the day opeto no but just that on be so be yin nanim bi sa na nyame abode e but eto no pe
ebi da ho nti wo kan wo anka ne yi a wo de phone to so a na wanya asem wo ka so wo adwuma bank
baby odane nye eti also na ni da ho okay mame ne akwasi ye wie eto de ye hwe apomdin we so ehu hia ai
doctor
yes don't wrap kenke in plastic chemical can cause severe health problems. Dr. Fiye and a 1 year.
Okay.
On said, none of your son, your mamma, say, ye perceive a sunny, a fantican kinu, and Docrono, ye perfino or Hana Sakalam, Black Bay, and some map on the rubber. Yes, ye. On the rubber mukra, ye de Adriania, she and a
yeah.
Mummy and try, na ye num cocoa or rubber muffe. For many Piero.
Oh, back
and yet, one day they are
oh, back
but one we are not quite be a
but no crow once said, Docno de say, okay, I have been one cassa, the woman I call a brune, a docronim no. So, yeah, my who say, be a droby womb, I a boy, and him the phone no the abe for a total no more can, any day. Any day. Yo, and no. Pacho ye de si ha na woche mu nyina adaje a one ye che wo bedwam no ye da se na ne de wani nyanko to ho a na wabomode ama wani akọ eto ho na wahwe ni yenti fia ne kwesi pacho me de si ha go kanse mu nsem e na edi so a eba wakabusiafo ye mamachen
kwaba yento aso wo agudi ensemo na wotimu say CBC stadium e wo krom ha eye putunwuma nyina wantu ato a entimi enye stadium wantu ato a entimi nyi kwan eto de ye we are citizen na wantu ato a emwa ti on the two notes nye de mu akwa aba na sedimo gel and roll on na odi twi sedimo gel and roll on e pacho say wa point chuma na wa bresa no na wo de adaboko so ade be chino e final call ba bi Gifas Mr so kan wana pay ne reba me man manager tum Gifas Mr papa Gifas de enye easy kra Gifas ne ama 41 dance no so onso bi hwe asohwe na wo be bet oneexpert.com this weekend matches all na say Champions League draw na be to dwan nkofo be fa ho diska no enya sam keto akra ti esi akonkon a na esa anyima ku na de ensi akonkon de nsam no de bro kejo na kasa ni Erica sie du boadi na e be sha se de fi ye right man Carlo Ancelotti Calito no na wo chire mo de dade na no ne masse so mo aboa na mana to me aboadwuma as a Real Madrid coach but in recent draw no sikoye the group of death for the hwan aj adede mo de papa. Now Group A, Liverpool, Ajax, Napoli and Rangers back in the Champions League after 12 years. Rangers, Group A, Group B, Atletico Madrid, FC Porto, Leverkusen, and Brugge, and Club Brugge for him. It was Atletico Madrid, Porto, Leverkusen, and ultimately say Group B is also and you're bad there. But Group C, and a group of death. So there's Bayern Munich, Barcelona, Inter Milan, and Victoria Prism. Two teams that me and Sunny Gnashim. Hey, wo, I'm for the Barca Europa League because I had the head papa. But you try Group D, Eintracht Frankfurt, Spurs, Sporting Lisbon, Marseille. The good thing is that Barca was first place of our Champions League in 2020. Now Liverpool, Ajax, Napoli. Almost also Eshimwanya some get to Accra. And there's AC Milan, Chelsea, Salzburg, and Dynamo Zagreb in Group E. Group F, Leipzig, Real Madrid, Shakhtar Donetsk. And the Celtic and Roberto Twitter and baby for the Mova Trophy Real Madrid and Group Amoria Monwidia. Now Group C, there's Man City, Sevilla, Borussia Dortmund, Copenhagen. Anyway, Group G, Group H, Paris Saint-Germain, Juventus, Benfica, Maccabi Haifa. Anyway, the UEFA Champions League draw now. And Babeto Johnny at the idea to Musanya some get to a criteria. Very send a Bessiaco and check where chassis because of the World Cup. Yeah, so cry TSC Muntemwa, anti Patrocian South from way the UEFA Champions League draw and a group of death, the group Ben and was a co-year near the day. Bedia Chase and Shabia Wechibiano and also Yadiaba Ababe Boom. And I Yakopimo war the other leagues and as the various leagues across Europe were bustle this weekend. OneExpert.com now who this go bottom this weekend. Patro leagues name Naba matches name so dao. Umpewe, what do you like? OneExpert.com. One more catching the disc able to rest in a fresh new city in the English Premiership Saturday. The early kick-off Southampton and Manchester United after say ultimately Liverpool no money interest on the South Vim no bet no Southampton so stubborn so far this season. Brentford against Everton, Brighton over Biom and Leeds United, Chelsea and Leicester City and Airborne and Liverpool and Bournemouth and a day Airborne now Man City and the Crystal Palace now Arsenal and Fulham. But Crystal Palace is stubborn. So betima konya go ewo City Fia. Now Sunday there's Aston Villa and West Ham United, Wolves and Newcastle, Northern Forest and Tottenham Hotspur they are boni Kwasieda English Premiership. Now Monday there's a game but yanko La Liga, Girona and Celta de Vigo, Real Betis and Osasuna Nebo. Na Saturday Elche and Sociedad Rayo Vallecano and Mallorca, Almeria and Sevilla, Kwasieda Hetafe and Villarreal and Bebo and Barca, Real Valladolid, Espanyol, Real Madrid. We are the Spanish La Liga. Now, Okopiemo, the Italian Serie A, the Monza, Omni Udinese, Nebo, Lazio, Inter Milan. Goes bebum. Now on Saturday, Cremonese, Womani Torino, Nebo, Wemo, Naomane, Afenejan, Avienti, Afenejan, Ghana striker on the team, new team. So, Roma, no there. And Juventus new Roma match in the Juventus Roma. Hey, you say Mourinho or Coutinho. Now, AC Milan, Bologna, Spezia, and Sassuolo. Emmanuel Jesus also office Spezia zone few. On also team in here. Now Salernitana and Sampdoria, Hellas Verona, and Atalanta, Fiorentina, and Napoli, Lecce, and then Empoli. We and Italian Serie A Manchester Basso this weekend. Now I copy more bonus the Garmin Hedia because of bonus the Freiburg and Bochum and a day Pim so now Okopima Mainz and Leverkusen and Swabo and Freiburg. Freiburg Chupacho Ghana interest for her. Now, Schalke and Union Berlin, Hertha Berlin, Borussia Dortmund, Leipzig, Wolfsburg, Hoffenheim, and Augsburg, Bayern Munich, Borussia, Mönchengladbach, Bayern the Oboboa, Covers over 2.5. More, but a bomb more chance over 2.5 in the season over 2.5. Bopa chance one she goes with T. Umpa once a Mayanwada. Aha. Cologne and Stuttgart, Werder Bremen, Eintracht Frankfurt, and Sona Airborne in the Bundesliga. Yako France and nine it is Ajaccio in Lille, Auxerre, and Strasbourg, Land and Rennes. Nantes on Sunday against Toulouse, then Brest and Montpellier, Lorraine, Clermont, Nice and Marseille, nothing so Troyes and Angers, Rennes, Lyon, na Paris Saint-Germain, and then Monaco, na Paris for Senia Ginasono. Say the any point, yes, I goes, but the first city. No for Bayern Munich, no for Paris Saint-Germain. Now go goes. No we only be any answer. As I say, but that three teams they say boy more 2.5. One expert that come when you see go bottom. If you don't like this, you like what? Yes. Yeah, okay, me go western and some for here about the senior national soccer team, the Black Stars of Ghana. Now Ghana assistant coach George Boateng. No yet madama Aston Villa. The everybody say well George man also person concentrating on the Black Stars ahead of the World Cup. Emunchebuni.
Jamiensa ya okodi na Aston Villa boboko na kache no Ghana ni di share George Boateng ose dono afro tigare ana 23 team a de share nensa no why na dwuma wi ntiene Black Stars assistant coach wabon krata tenten de ama Aston Villa mpanimfo a waja na dwuma to honom enkrata ne mu no papa yi kire se esoma obesoma Aston Villa boboko no wanu no hokra wasua de afirimu wate ho mfaso na de wanya bia no wan kwan kotena se nkonkoda adwuma kese ba ko ehye ne nsa ane se wokura o my Ghana enti ne ya ye World Cup no ordinary eba be hwe Ghana Black Stars a eno beboa ana ye botai se ani so ya de kokata no abamu enti George Boateng Aston Villa chitafo nyina papa se wagya adwuma ya eno nyama amode ahye no no nani sopa.
Yes, you fast make that dama. One more can one on pay a day about George Boateng and so the to others also baby, but to the also chairman or yaha or boha or tehadaha. The Black Galaxies of Ghana Sunday Cape Coast Stadium, Ghana versus Nigeria, Chan qualifier. Live coming to us and FM so Shannon so mami Adom FM so jine mu enye easy. Nigeria ni asa 4 p.m. at the Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Coach Anna Walker, one of the head coach at the Black Galaxies. So GD yes Ghana betima do the two in Cape Coast.
Mbomi ho eno ani se ese misisi mi ho ye esan se menim adwen a wo mo adwen mu esan se yempanfo no ehye wo mo ayi wo mo fi World Cup no mu nti match a omo prepare ye amai nti enso ya prepare yama nti match a I promise say we the Galaxy are going to qualify nti enye match a ye fanu very easy cry.
All right, manone the black comedy too. Say ebetumi akoye e de amano anti ginemu de nende de bepiem bia no ye de bebra o hyene so ma me say e Gfast mixture and can hono pay de nsam na de bro Gfast so say papa Gfast de chairman unhu ya ba hoyim na sa obe be memu Gfast mixture ta bia ntwa nyare ansa eye wo ho adwuma bre bia what I say Gfast mixture oba so hia bi pa mo kan hono pay na ye de bro oneexpert.com betting companies na bo papa na oneexpert.com so ofa trivia na okọ anim ni ade and of course Sadimo gel and roll on Okopimo war assignment main station etema hona Sunnis Pharmacy war between the Duaton from 0208 219 129 and I don't send in 7 so AC etie now menano pay yadobesi Sergio Manucho ya me producer na mo share so ma say and audio birthday Augustina Sedu oye kofodia de okwa adwon packetings John Packetins, the ba nimpon, Augustina seed when I do birthday. Mommy say Yamin Sharon Tonquanem, one poppy, and I say, Emonti Hunjakra. Why you more proud of pa? Yamin Shapa, Nadia Wakmasubia, Yankopo, and Fama. I said, what a Nanka Sabaka Kejuano, Erica seed, but then I could feed the only say, Ebama Sapel Honkakra, also her bedroom.
And I pay Mammy free Judea, Manumu. Mo fambro hono was Samaria Osmafa Ozi in Sampana Bronhono no Nizonze Mami Boatema the Fantado president for the Brothers and Sisters Association into no ajeze funyina woma yenka he nitirumbome yanu so ayen jeans no so yansan so yembra because in Sampano or hono ma yenyinara or honom de yenyinara ye be fa bibia from de jizo jinjinzo yabo converto no wasa running good morning akwaba sonkoze ba unse page mezido na enwumi elite yi oye kama pa nyime be ya adwen oye husband and wife bia waka ho nitira bom owura ye Patrick and Joe Ayete wo bom na wo to wo fon need worship the mukofi ya meka wona asemi wo San Francisco Bay wo ye singers wo honom was is a warrior in there was spread the light of Jesus Christ through music. It's Yankopon de Kane no na woriche amama say nyinara when ye bi na was one nsa esobimu. Into slogan is she hona it's bobo one another new mean slogan other do ye releasing sounds from the secret place. Releasing sounds from the secret place. Into the pay owura yera wo San Francisco Bay nyame show won bebre there. Juma Yankopon ozimo hono no one fe juma na nya agoro ewa na we so juma no mu zinzinzin na wori ye ye nyame ihye hon bebre nti no in the show no obaya sonko nti na mo frefa Joseph no won jinzi nyinara no Sunday in the no mazin sampa pa na mazer brohon mo gospel musicians ekukudam ebien o hade ya menye won reba abotwetwe onkomo na minyima ze say at the singing priest da the singing priest Atada. Okay. No, I will maintain you me na yembrace here. Okay. Into no Reverend Father Bernard Atobra Enim. My guest, first guest of the day. Papa Akwaba. And I'm kane. Na me you want to na. Oh, you will be catch me ana.
Nina.
Mumaya na komado.
No yenje no mass bre.
Na boko.
Na me ado bibia boko.
Okay. When you me so I come up na yezin kan ho asama kakra the singing priest started that on your man sa na ekwa so priesthood no man ade otedan.
Enyam to de ade a manage ho pa.
Okay.
Ti me nyina metonjo mo asori dem. Ya bofra.
Okay.
Especially during Christmas. It was the 31st night. I have brevia. It me ma kwan ma for a day nyom to ane ade nyame aye. Ti eno mu na ye de e sha asese to nyom abra ye so nyina. Ti ade manage ho.
Okay. No shall I acher. Na priesthood no so e ko ma achera.
Oh dabi. E fake na me be di afe ba.
I see because mu na very young. Okay. Inti wana efa the music no told another bia nkofo bi na wo hu de net onyom the singing priest na wan wo the music no mon another one efa izin no
me sha nyom to ase de say even me be ye sofo mpo no me amedin mbo din bi anhre obia so nkofo he me na me to nyom na me din no ene de me ye no eno ade edin ne bai
Fine. Now, no, come up, papa. And you know, uma yente nyum na kakra. Ma yente nyum na kakra na embrace.
We need your son. We need your son. Jesus Christ in our lives. Oh, we need your son. We need your son. Yeshua HaMashiach. For he knows our weakness.
Into the singing priest, then your ma, what for the Canaan experience? Not Canaan experience then.
I know a bra, or I appreciate say okay.
Okay.
And some mode a year our reno a sign.
Okay.
A year as some for no a call Mary. Na Mary and son in the Bana Kasai.
Okay.
I'm an enemy biamba.
And actually, Jesus the first miracle. Oh yeah, no.
Sir. Sir.
So what if inspiration is free?
Sir Pepe.
Wow.
Ti ye tun sa free Jesus. Awa ya brabum. Na ye di dua Mary so. Ti said ye obia epe ade free ne maame ho no mo a. Aha, said ye usi ekọ ne maame ho na sabe kan ntam.
Also ho, mama wa kwanya na tono ho kakra. So bi pede bia ofro never perform wo na za say. Obesida na nsaka.
Oh, sisi ya me ye adwuma wo Shama Parish. Secondary Takrade Diocese.
Okay. And so, if you be,
oh
wow. Me be if you have bank, I'm a brome phone kakra.
Sir. Until honor be free by Honson and be a juma. And I'm associate priest. Me sanso a dinary chaplain. At the match Shama dinary. Na me ankasa de me free. Manso amen fee.
So be you show which are kwana oba fro abo phone do. E wo social media.
Me patcho.
Okay, what handles here?
Facebook.
Okay.
benviv@gmail.com.
Okay. Now, one many Catholic creative ambassadors, no?
Catholic creative ambassadors, movements and it could be a young, talented Catholics.
Okay.
A binum crampo or more Catholics. Okay. But you're welcome.
Into what there, what talent on Cotenza.
Now, why you're ready, say. Some yami through your talent.
Okay.
You can't home buano. You been much book. You was so for me and sunny womb back on a book. Show books be and I'm ya canon so yatonyo. Nankayano ya GD4. Be bought guitar, be bought organ.
I see.
And I'm busy after be brain so tonyo. Tiana ya can one boom say okay. It will be a friend say new evangelization. Quite many you see bit me a faso na ya manyanko pon na sem pano atre.
Okay.
If you ever find yum to us near talent so. Na ya diabuama. One, a sorry nanyini, not two. I mean, we are singing and saying when you make us see.
Okay. You see, for now, no, so Obi Frau crying a performance no free, Anna.
If I try,
you see, a big employee free.
Yame,
sure.
Yeah, bonds and panny.
There's a possibility that a bigger, Botuna, Ajika can.
Oh, I know the Nyamba.
Mopo on the chawa, one friend, the singing priest. One friend now or be perform because I knew me Canaan experience or you come pa under an pampo says here worship na member one sada pen no papa into no more recommended the you know or you come Canaan experience our online platforms no do unko stream very necessary. That's how he will make his money to me on the chow unko stream more now on to money niska although nyami show bebre me that's papa there a baby share pay into no yente enyom no yensa ne ente enyom no ya me de pa Canaan experience no na also answer na bosoro akoni ho a wo de hwe camera mu mam wa ha de na obi reshow e bia na no so oye priest or talent but also no yo so funi nto pedo ompedo obeyi epempo abasam na be ka chwe
enyom to no e ba no me ma fam a madwuma ankasa eye asofudie no se mesom Nyankopon bone nsem pane de Roma twe akra e de ama no aha nanso eba no se yenhwe different aspects nso a ye wa chede ahodo bebre ho na me de enwom to nti oba no mimpo me esom ye mu a me de enwom to ye neema bebre e wo mesom aha nti akyɛdeɛ foforɔ bi wɔ hɔ ɛka asɔfodie no ho a nipa bebree na wakyɛdeɛ aha nti ɛno ne ɛkwan a wɔn so betumi afa so ama asɔfodie no ayɛ soronko kakra nti me encourage sɔfo bia sɛdeɛ me ne wɔ kasa me ka sɛ obi ɛtwerɛ aha obi nso etumi artwork nti obi ade ne deɛ na onim no ɛne deɛ nyame deɛ hyira no no ɛde fa asɔfodie no so asɔfodie no di kan na ɛno no aka
asɔfo chebusuafo akula na ebien bi memo onye bebree
okay me de na sɛ kɛseɛ pa bɛma me ankasa me bishop
okay
Most Reverend John Baptist Ataku ɛna His Grace Archbishop of Accra ɔno yɛ Bonaventure Kofi John Bonaventure Kofi Archbishop of Accra ɔno na me de na sɛ kɛseɛ pa bɛma wɔn ɔsɔma asene ɔkwan bebree mu ɔmo inspire me abre bia mesere kwan yɛfiri wɔn hɔ no ɔma yɛkwan ɛma yɛn so yɛde akyɛdeɛ no ɛde boa asɔre ne mpontuo ti nyame nhyira wɔn pa
also for number 2 for number
059 280 9988
also for nyame nhyira bebree
ɛda wasipa
nyame nhyira bebree kena experience anyom no yɛ kama papa also was streaming platforms ni nyinaa do into no woma yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔ stream no also for ne kakra for nto no cool into no before me receive my next guest no me no watch video be me on social media na video was a mixed reactions aba enyim da ashama to the world concert no Orobado on the 3rd of September na in preparation towards that no ye hum Stone Boy wo ashama we hure sigatem na ori sigatem ibinum record or leadership by example ibinum so questions bebre bisa yezin kana yen shares okodo wo ashama honom na ye ba ma bo mu nkom also this is Zaokodo or Ashaman, Chronomo. Stone Boy, leadership by example. No, who's gotten was hair. Clean up no yen eyes, young by Jimmy. Yen eyes, young by Jimmy. So who is still got emo. Now, the American or have missed listening to offer me questions by bread. Nanka Stone, no. No, I didn't keep it to measure gloves like a can and nose mask like a crebiso or bohian. You who be Adam, you who are the brothers and a white, where we see. Got him out, or it's but I know a passion. One june way be an impo. The fact that I got to the warrior now, not Stone Boy, pedo or ye be. This is the way to go. Men's no fear and main instructions. Yang day, eh? Yang day, no. I will more his and I. More his and I. I will much here do. Me catch your there, my son, so more another guest, who will fear her day. Now, before I'm off a guest, no, my entire you mean, embraces here. Hey, you be at times. I don't know here come up, pop.
Not sure as an eye.
I bet you myself. Tapeda academy myself.
Ongwe.
Eh, never guess see. Actually, fear you pa. Oh, actually, fear you pa. See, Aquaba.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
And you mean you come up how Kabi?
Yeah.
Wow. Now, as they release an album.
It's an album, yeah.
How and you
there were 14 songs on the album. 14 tracks.
14. Me I sure very good songs.
Yes, I mean Adom ni na very good. Odete, inte ya.
Inte.
Odete.
But we be you aje ho.
That's it.
I come up motum zaide. Motum zaide. Na obande na waju na album.
Well, yeah, started a record last year. We young concerts na say Splendor. So they recorded some of the songs, and then in March this year, yes, and second recording to add up. So that's why we have,
Na
entire album.
Nina live.
Nina live. Oh, we have 2 songs on there on your live.
Better, it was cool.
Yankopon boy and Krakra.
I see.
And I also one by what's my entity.
You see, because live, me know what's people usually say on expensive. But what's a cool?
Production is very expensive. You know, every single production, not just live, but every single production, a lot goes into it because you have to get the guys to play on it and all that. And it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool.
Now, the studio, I watch a video of how me who Joe Metal Honor if a Grace. I have a studio.
Okay, had a Prop Haven.
Oh, okay.
Prop Haven or Spintex Quanado. They have a space over there, very nice place.
Okay.
Shoot video no.
How has the reception been?
So far, it's been great. The feedback na from the album so far has been very, very good. You good you release videos you know the first one that you release, and they area brings you release another one, then we continue releasing the rest of them.
Okay, okay. Matter since you say obi pay enyum be a hefa and a hefa.
We are available on all the digital platforms, so Apple Music, Deezer, Boomplay. All the digital platforms are available on.
Should we go back to the days of CDs?
We actually have some CDs available. I mean, it's not a lot. Yes, yet on your CDs are yet on as well. Yet on pen drives and so them are. But I think the world is growing. We're leaving that age. We need to live along with the world. I mean, there are some people are still will use the CDs and all that, but. We also have the digital platforms that are available, and then also the pen drives. One of Opedo will use the pen drives, and so them are. Okay. That Opedo when you have pen drives na CDs, and so go to my friend number is 0546 209838 0546 209838.
Okay. Now entire album is in a
Revelation album.
Revelation.
Yeah.
Why?
Revelation, you know, hand light.
Okay.
And Miji did there, Kofu Bebre or life ma we do maybe or there Yankopon on hand on direction, what exactly they are supposed to do with their lives. Sometimes we get to that point and we're confused what decision, what tends to take and all that. I believe that you take album here, remember your spirits are not connected with God, and God will be able to give us the light that we need for our lives. Very specific directions. Now they make a there. This kind of direction is even more important than my prophets be catch-all, because a young couple with his spirit. You know, yeah.
Okay, matter say. Into CC last words. Obi show CC that one thing also the more cautious Revelation album.
Oh, I mean, every single point in our lives, we need revelation. You know. What the world is looking for is people that carry revelation, people that carry direction, very clear word from God. If you really need a revelation in your life, you're at that point where you know that you need direction in your life, this is the album to listen to. A lot of people have had testimonies just listening to very few songs on the album, or they have testimonies to that.
Okay. Yeah. No, CC, Madasi. Show Bebre, Revelation album, or a cha. Echo streaming platforms ni nyinaa ebenya wo honom na masra ho no dem streaming some no here empower because this year at America no ye kwenye na wiase kwenye nyim ehu say CDs no also CDs kakra or some sort on pen drives me put my as support me because no so more easy into no bomozina na support CC Bedu ministry no on my hand na enyom no ye fine pa ka be esi ye take kakra na ye mbresi ya
together sing your praise. We will rise upon the heavens, and with one voice sing our praise to the Lord. The God of heaven, let the earth together sing your praise. Together sing your praise. We will rise upon
kama enyum no me feel am we sisi bedu nyame inshow bebre na onkodo am ideas ai na kekebom no onye fine kama de ya na yentum na yenso yenya inshow di bi mfirimu na me refiri ho no ma mamenyo bo host some kakra azoto yede nyu on still yen papa henaza zingina Reverend Stephen Prince Yossen do donala your friend watching no any 1 week celebration or recordo in day or bokodo in day into from 8 a.m. Case 6 p.m. no Adom TV is a channel ni nyinara reche the rich one you know home to trains or bokodo over honom nyina 1 week celebration as nyina no there's about brought one live on all our channels Adom TV Adom FM Asempa FM Ishira you be call live in there into say your social media pages Facebook Instagram info pocho you be more updates or honor me you we free had day crying there because me sure them pede be miss bibia watch e wabosom Ghana ye pa also there ye dream bibia ye tum na ye on and ye into 1 week phone hu jim papa na zebutu ma ya ngide bo hwe wo TV do on Adom TV and the menu way free no in free had day cry. Now you can say September in Cape Coast. No baby said that some record. Hey, and ya celebrate everything Cape Coast. Now Mopocho was singing the biggest festival all Ghana they know afetu afeshe or record way. Zon tight all roads leads there. Into no September in Cape Coast no we celebrate art, culture, music, food and lifestyle of the people in Cape Coast. The young yerba zon Ame Sandra Capo, Dr. Pounds, Kojo Yansan Arboku, yerba. Tema kunkum, yerba Cape Coast honor until forward June, #September in Cape Coast. Yerba zon until Guamane, one shay in Mukana, one number no free chrome hon mukeke one proud and we are coming back at us. No asamara not more big news to be Zema obi biara order who sepe, especially obi biara order sister Sandy be a guy. Mopocho you was so me nete because or you need some song copa yesterday but tight. The guy's host will be live on Adom TV or Ochinampono Obokwan Sepe Extra don't empedebe miss 8 p.m. Tune in and watch the Gaius host, the Gaius Queen, the entertainment prefect in Ghana, Ebepedebe channel on Sepe Extra Ochina. And Sana, we cannot hear that. Badwam was a pedal or person or the super bomb. You just empire to know. Oh my gosh, video na embrace here.
Akukudro afefedia efe otumiti juma ewo kwanhoro so se eba ne Ghana enije mudia ono animu entertainment prefect Sister Sandy afe yema agro no nhyase Sister Sandy be a guy yema wakwala
Sandy, where do you go? Oh, you guy! Sister Sandy be a guy!
That on chair be able with the Gaius Queen or studio hadea with Sister Sandy. Where do you go? Oh, a guy. Sister Lopem concern. I was feeling it out, I was a little bro. Oh, Badwam was a pedal at 7 a.m. Tebepede tune in. Now, Ochina so now was a extra at 8 p.m. No, and Pedebe Mr. Cry because one when you most more, talent. Sister Sandy be a guy. I can't wait to meet you. Now, me free honor my mama Clara Peterson. Happy birthday campaign. The bagel no. Also, that is the 15 years. I mean, sure be on to come now on your case. Into no more sorry though. Manda obi biara se. He zo don't some no zama. Say Emma mo share me share more. But also that share more don't know. More do be brave. Mazam obi biara. Also run a pebia no tuning on Badwam was a pedam bohe. Mami Watman. Nyami inshen we brave. Mada se papa. No so crow more opportunity. Mambebe son. Nyami inshen will be brave. From Wobe Kofi and Pedu to Pakwesi to Kobieshen. I would lie, I would do. Can answer, Papa, we don't want to be brave. Eunice Folly, Yami Ishan want to be brave. Sandra, Sana couple. Oh God. dia no ye angel abofo o asase do nti no nyame hye wo nyina nyame nimrupam no ye basa na ye hia o Badwam ahosepedo ima no ye camera Thomas o had osmosis ye sound well back Kofi Ampedu no director Sandra Sana Kapo ye producer Praise Lana man ma salute one if you are going to my twinny nyame ishe wo bebre ma sordo
It's a papa, Miss Samuel Quaba Bim do Badwam TV, Badwam Jumadi so. Mamboatma, ne Sandra Capu, you almost say, so on dear Husapeno, Abreye. It is said, a wow who say, show good, or such not dear. Entertainment prefect and one caster, Sister Sandy, the guy. Hey! The piano be able to send a Sandra were hen, a Sandy were hen, a Sandy were hen, a Sandy were hen. Sandy, young watch now. Me ba ho se pestra so no be interview na wa che baby a okoye but even before Sister Sandy be background no ye me say lead producer any producer of Ahosepe at least me twinny ese mu ye say handing over na say party bi aha There be on signing off so much show no so but at least BB kakranti wo ba Kofi Ampedu ne Sandra Kapu. Ora mu ne hwe kra na. Mo me enye sitting kituwa bi. Na ho na Sister Sanity ha na mambot ma ha. Na twinny metin finfin na say ye didi nom ne adre. All in the name of Sister Sandy the guy. Oba na me yadmo chna. Na ne mu nyina ye o. Boy energy bi a wasade ahye mu kura de ba no ode nyina ya ka ho wonimi ya kura obeye tie ne mu nyina yi star bia bi ode be ma nti ya ma Sandy akwaba ochena Ahosepe extra de be bro ba de bia sare ya meka cho no before Ahosepe extra be ba no enkwahia ebe ba wa kwan ti 7 to 8 Adom TV enkwahia ebe ba chena die nti a ehia se wo ho no ma udi toxic o system no nyema funu sabi ewo nipaduan mu se yi bi guo se yere doctor be hia na wa kire yen se de be ya ebetimi anya pomoden pa ye wie pepepe Ahosepe extra Sister Sandy be a guy na so de ato so e de amount and Miss Golden stew pageant no so audition no be hyasie memenda ene kwasiada nti obabu na wanya 18 to 30 years a utume kasa utume kan akan kasa utume kan ye wo akokodro wo de amfa ho fa no kra wo nya fa kra na wo bold utume represent o region ochana ene kwasiada audition no koso hotel or East Legon nti na so do ho ahyemu bi na the following week no so akoso Asante region to obia baby wo bia we are Canada na do ho ahye sa beauty contest ya e don so e baso na the Palm season 2 no so eguso a me so voting ni hin nipa na ya de no na wo se toma no se be ya wo betumi aka competition ni mu nti moma ye nhye no so medidi afia amankwa tamakro nyuma ko bia daroma e don boye chidom se ntimi fa nkomodie we emro samo be hye ne nso a Adom TV en kase mu kofie gye e de amane bi bai be ma wo hwie acid egu ne yere so se ya na menhunu mema no se akokoduro no na afiri ho ade na so se obi de hye animu eni panim na da ho sa no eni kofie gye ba bedi hu kombo na wa refresh en kakra bia na yeru afi fi se ne de yetete ne se sa branch no dwane ye kora no a ene bambofo nsa aka no ba dofo ye srem nkrofo abusuafo omodofo papa bia wo mu atete wo mu anyini ene wa besre ne nsam awade na so hwe na ware ni mu no ba bi enye yi a enye se wo bedi for minipa no ana obeku no acid no ba ku bia mehu ne egu nipa ne nsa ho keke kora no anane ti imagine se wo hwie gu nanim na so mpeso be nipa bi ye pamacho as minim how as na common sa Wo de yen hwe awuraba yi ni before any after ye hwie ase grow so ba fe ona da so no oba fe hwe be manim me mo ni pada fa cheme but ya na nwanwa o hwe nanim o wudie woni tirim na me se awurade se omiye nhunu ya tanfo like nipa bi se adwem bone woni tirim se no eso hunu we na ne da ma de chen oba fe now a difference wo mpa ana akwa no ya chi ne na ayesa because wo ba yo gina ho na hwe ba ma ya nkoye difference no ye huge nyina ya hu kire o we obekom na chese abuja form de na che no hede wa ye no nhu mpo se na nim mpo nhu na nim ami nko Kofi aje ho na ye ne ni nkomo Kofi no pay ye mo ache da ase
afia bejoso
di o sase mo esi wo he
esi wo awutu body ase awutu senya west
awutu body ase yo enti me pacho Kofi facha me we de me busa wa no ayi ano ama me saa o de me enye te se de o report no me busa no ayi ano na de ma ne ate ase yie me pacho omo ya wafo
yes abusia no chese enya awale serious but odinsa ebe hu abusia kwa jatum se the babai any abrante enetia amatra for so many years
nti omo
oma mienu
oba no hwa wanya mfie sei
oba ya yedi ni ta demi 29 years ana wanya mfie aduonu nkro
ena be ma nso e so
uni ma nso o cheto 34 years
eni die be ma no ye adwuma be
ma na kata no o ye smart guy e ka so be a smart smart business but we ma political records no o cheta di business ya o but ase o we here we no ma kwa ya blow ama police ba kwa tete mi bi no o mo di ka chenokra wo emponche wia ama obewia mponche ama mo che no nkwa mo ni koje eto bi a wa se wako ye la baba business o ya sa business and the boy ti ya kwa bi o kwa so be yes kantem enti sika woni nsem o ye ade o be ye o be yes kantem ti sia eno ye ni e ka akro betimi agye no makoto obi ka no ma wuro bo no magye no makoto mponche ade bi o be ya o be yes kantem no enti da bi sika woni nsem bia
na oba no so ye adwuma be
oba no e boju ibi o to ade na first no akono ne be mari nya na ti o kaswa na kaswa high tech ho na no mutu no ba to ade o kaswa market but according to oba no me na be mari start say oba threatening or started threatening no say oba bono oba kuno oba plan because oba so person ni gay no ana na so oba to free kaswa ekoti na body ase no
nenti ahefa no okotete no kohwi ase didi gu no so yi
aye body ase eden oba na rent e wo tu body ase no ana abranchi ekodi ni tanya mra se oba no no ne dem ana akoye ana John Kaya man body kwa fini that was 26 December last year December mo ayi di bronya no ana be ma no course kwa ko hwe ne ba no ne ma mienu kwa ko hwe nkwala no enti okopie mu ho ana go ko course wa enti according to about go ne grad die eye bibi we do say the major the still an mo sa connection no enti according to about the say be ma ne ba no ana always will call you aba enti be ma ne fa the phone oba na be ma na fa the phone and the numbers are friend for oba ni nya no be ma na apa pen the paper I list access your number in there the church loto number and what I see friend back who ni fa kura afro ba se mema and afro ba na enti eno ho tinye ana ko ba ya oba no cheso mu di ka ko so ana mu jai enti omukra ada ma so de oba wale for ye o ma ye wi enti oba to da ho na o ze be no mana sa fe frefre oba no phone enti oba no ho no sa be be frame ana oba no se ni kunu ana esi frefre back enti na koye ntokwa se na be ma ni free ka so e ba ne nche obo yasi be wa so kutaka na se wa to asset no e de gu etika nim dada because na onumadi e wodi tirim na so ba so be jane dia eni obekunu ana so be di ne dem isa so ba je no di kai aka chere dada ba do ba na fa anya atem ana se busia no so afa serious ba do ba no de no nu se ebia no ma threatening message ye bia enti oba se be ma ne ba na omo da wie ni adi no da o se hwe enti entokwa no emu yes na na tagi ba dim yes na be ma ni pie ba port nti obi ba port no ko yi acid no gano alo be hwe gu ba ka kedwale mbi to ba da wa na sew ogo hwe gu no pa no so enti oba mani to okeke mu na manfo ba no so biu Ismail be ma refan Ismail Atiku Agboko aka Kinduga the guy named Kinduga ana oba no so the comfortable and you hwe gu no sa no ba no fi se to so ne ho start asiselo no the acid no e du gu sa na ho start ehuru ti hona no wura se the hospital but you asa nyeye and I would the kolegu so rejection because I wanted the eye in the nya de be you what call rate is rejection I the contact service so rejection eti e ba ya Adom problem why and private doctor bi awo awutu danso papa be fa na me no ka se wa na hu na bia no egusu aye but isi oba de mu ya but I will say afia oba ne nyina na sei ne ne fra ne ohu ade biem ko kum se obu ne ne mi ne nyina no asik ni egu ne mi ama ne katrama tese ne hu na nyina so picture na afia we video na wa ga mo janam kwa wi bida
ana nyame adom ya che no he fa ne yakoche no
eti me va the 10 months because last year December na police for our body as yes so more sharp plenty and your man na declare wanted nyina na now sharp plenty because of that fast business ya make am want to enti and no kutaka we I didn't know kutaka agenda and na police for our body as nya inter say abranti na bampatemwa na no kutaka Toyota Highlander 4x4 unregistered Toyota Highlander ebi already said the kuta branch eti abranche be twem ana police for intenti police barrier bi awo ofiti body ase edi ko kaso afa ko na ye fro okuru kwanta ona police barrier no eti police for free barrier no say akwa bi tika mo ba no mo wi akwa ni kranchi na abranche ya Ismail Atiku Agboko aka Kinduga eto mo mo ni ko the possible do on a possible jadu wanya no kifa say police ni ka say wanya wan huria and ka the kind of police ni and na police ni ba kwa no Elvis amankwa owusu amankwa constable and if you be a police na baso say the police ni na ade police ni ye no almost as aji to kwa na baso it was sharp that no geji ablant any time na chedi no and was send it to it's so wow and abante no sila fikare paso hona police ni fa moto oji okada ma bia o ni moto oji moto no police ni fa moto no de sabrante no and what tana kuti beba de kokomremetu beba de kaneshi na brante ni fika na tai na etu abom no tufa so what was hard criminal when the police for our work just check and we ko dinye etu ala brante de police ni ko yire no ko cross no yire no and of friend police for baya o abeti da me look as a Kinduga police for invite some ne ko fa ko say o twika ne pass na na wa be of go police station so yire na na no de ko fa go police station na but you police for chief superintendent police ya ayensu on the district police commander on the branch abefa Kinduga na ko body asia me look as and pay no police commander say omo born in krata
yo
na ko jakot
sa Kofi yen ase na ya menso nka ho bribia wo adwuma wo yem ye da ase papa Kofi agye na de amane boyi ebra ye sa ase mu no esi ya frase December mu na fe ne yetimi ayi sa yatimi akire de odi ehuro no oba no so nyame adom private doctor bi ehwede ye bom paye se eden nyame ebeka no ho mame nko Isaac no menyo ho nso na ono na wotwe mu nsem bi esiye na nkwanhie bi esiye wadanse anwea so mani pa ba ku free mu no mame nko na mene Isaac eni ho nkomo Isaac yemo akwaba
yes
ya da se papa pa mayentie sa nkwanhia ne sida bai na eba ne sei
Efia kwanhia ne esi eye dansa ene ewo adanse ahia so ene kwadwom kwanta entem ho eye kevu mu eho na akwanhia na fia de tie nie eye private car baako a medical doctor bi awo asen fusu eye St Francis the Savior hospital Catholic hospital ewo ho ho eno mo hye se sa doctor no eye adwuma na so ansa na kra asem no esi ye krampo no na obi enim baby kra ni pakro no efre na afia akwanhia no sei ene fa so ebaaye emperifo kire se that driver ni na private car no efri eye ekura ye frɛ ho fusu ena na ode nya tre adanse asokwa direction ena na petrol tanker ba ko nso efri eye asokwa junction direction bi na nya tre eye ni wadi bi ase direction na omu edu no omu hit bi etini XC a eye private car na registration number ye AW 1514-22 no wadi ko bra eye tanker na se tanker muya private car ipemo no ema eno so ekogburi to ekwa ne nchen baby no so ho nsem akwakwɛ SMP so na tanker no so registration number GT 8679-22 na womo ekonya empuni America say sa private car driver na wa medical doctor no the Patrick Yamwa omo chese wenya fisha be aduanan na o specialist wo afin fosu hospital Roma Yarsabia ho na afia atfem akwɛsa ne fisha no fire service for papa and sana omutimi yi no edna free card mo kra
Isaac na say doctor no nko na ete sa car nim
I wano nko a afia ono nko na na ti omo yi ni free card na say the ti ate e de free so a akwakoye arehosem papa a na nipa wo ho etwa jajo say e de pa na be sie car kwenta be ti ni sie nipa chi e be free so na mo tanker no so de na nipa ni yu na etim driver ni ana wo twie a friend no akulugu Moses a wonye fisia ediasa enu one ni mate na wo eche ese na nyame adum de wo de he anye wo wo ho na mu driver ni a wo medical doctor na wo ka say de wo de ti eche free so kra na o na e wo se do ate kwa
ya da se yemfa unsi ha mo ye nti abusua monya akomo nkafra papa memfa ene yen correspondent yenya wo mu mienu ade nsi ha na yen komodi no yemfa nsi ha St Andrew Senior High School ye don wase papa Kel Kit toothpaste nso yen kradru ade twitwi won sen ye da wo mu ase Kidi Ministry of nso yen kradru akra won padua no nya bi ma no a obedidi kamade ama Piwak Natural Health enso apomudi efie wo modro ba ko ene wadwama so 3P garlic mixture nonumbi nyumakwe ya da Roma ena menya kwan tenase e de afisem komodie ene ye call regency ye kodi san komoyi mede bro na me show bebre sa oje bre ehweye na happy birthday enko Emma Clara Peterson ene wanya fie edu enso tinyame enhraw na onyo kese kosi so be kese pa midi afia amankwa tamaklo kwasisia e de pensem mu no etwaso
yaba mo nyina wache na yesaba mo akwa ba bi emfamra Badwam Jumedie so live on Adom TV, live also on all our social media platforms, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Baby bia obehunu social media bia no type Adom TV. Isa se Badwam live hono medin de akwasi insiana se kase ekoma sports team se odi agude mu nsem ebre no achi sisto de ahosepe enso ebre na afia mankwa tamaklo Mrs. Bakope enso de ebowura efisem emu free sabre kwapin sa donkono ebebo eye pensemu everybody nkomo e afa oman Ghana ho me fara sekase e koma hyper plus mixture e papa na abadwa so a obi age atum na onum bie enu nya do bi na so onum atim sampa wonum adrumu adron 3D bi a 82 bia eho adro e hyper plus mixture so na Franco Trading Enterprise fun papa efie ene honum etu pefo ya beto ya ne bo ewo fo beche e de mawa for ni eche Franco Trading Enterprise fun bia opebia no osa ebeka bi eso eho so na Kel Charcoal toothpaste baka to say encarate na ye de body tire no etwi bidie so na ye de atwiese ene ye de paste ene obi a eyusu bie Kel Charcoal toothpaste ba bi o man mu ye ton edro a ye de twiese bia kwa osa ebeka bi ato so na City Blood Tonic mojedu papa ya onye binu mu a onye kese emroso wonna ema no emroso ni din so ma no emroso nebom ne uni ebo show ni padwa na ebo ma ba bibia ankora beto ni padwa bia no City Blood Tonic adaromati ne nyina be hye ma ede amao ana papa mfa happy birthday nkoma me ankasa me second born Bismarck akwasi boaten ene wanya 4 years happy birthday enko emfa emao na amesamfa yakoi so enkoma ebo dendie Honorable Hackman Owusu Ajiman on the loss of your wife Mrs. Comfort Owusu Ajiman Honorable ema shedding ene ma yako enso ha nyame enka oni abusua enyina eho na onyo kesiye pa emoden because bunya dia na akura atro ena midi ede echire moden papa na so nyame na ohwe ne ba no ono abehwe one abusuanka ya aka echire maame kone so woni nyame enkosa samando ya mandua maame okwa atoyen enkra enti yakọ kese enkoma Honorable Hackman Owusu Ajiman former minister for water resources under the SY John Ajekum Kufuor's administration so ena enua wache 1 week no eba so ereka ka chem say live on Adom TV live on Adom FM Asempa FM Nshira FM ye bibi abna to wetimi enya bi ahwe enya bi atie wache obi a obon ho ne pa Ghana siniye adwumadim na bo ade ba mo wodi ne sanwunwu na kwato no so ekone na mpanifo de siwa ye di ne na wotwe eda edi hu nsem bi aka bia no ye de ebesom so e TV ne Adom FM na fe Asempa FM enso brazo se bedi enkomo mene perepa ba kwa Ghana amanyo sem de o kana ka uyi na afrimu a enye yie weni bia na beti se papa e metire nka che nansen wo ye de ebre bi atwumo na o ye general secretary everybody the new patriotic party adwuma so obeye enti enne ye bone samrane FN the only general na nado dan kwakufa de nya kwanya besom ye ese omampani omani dibre es papa sum ne boame no adwuma meye enwepeyo and am no kese we minister for local government decentralization and rural development ne di ankasa aye Daniel Kwaku Botwe ba betimi afre no Dan Botwe akra bako de
madam bako
the only general and what you say general
madam bako
office and so
madam bako ene omanpanyin eko to ewo upper west ne savannah near the Kako upper east northeast and northern region okay and I'm sorry yami a boy you nyina ho ban na you be doing nwumre very very successful tour
you share out of the tour na makono
kaba ma kwan because well nyama mi ansa
okay
me join ma wa show balance so happy birthday and one of the very good actors and you also you know watching so now watching the abusia for a sudden but the other counts is here there I have not heard it. When did it happen? Yeah, because Sanka Bibi Saba and Kai the president of Honum Kebete the whole of yesterday maintained.
Yeah, you have to
Ace. My uncle Hackman Yako. No. That's a difficult one. That's a difficult one. And then the wife, apart from Uncle Hackman Kasano, Antina Ankasano, yeah, a very, very, very fine a woman. I mean, I mean, very nice person. You do her on her own, say, very nice person. Yeah. Very, very nice person. Emma son in the beach, even for 30 seconds, one meter, call away with some nice feeling. Wow. Very nice human being. Yamanka, Nina Bushan for Yako.
Honorable President Tor of the 5 northern regions about every year. And throughout the 5 regional tour now will be under your ministry. Diana Waye. Sato ya Yakwemi. And I think out of the 5 regions, it will be 2 or 3 newly created that sit at your ministry.
Yeah.
Sa new ones na abana wakotoro. Diana under your ministry. Mutimi ayama for a pray for that region.
But was Michelle what here for the operation. After yen so I am penny butai. Obey my penny, right from 2017. Say I fit be oboko each of the regions. Tamane 10 regions. Oboko no ne nanom ne other stakeholders ni funya adi komo. Because mamunu ne say kabe mem kabe abana say nipa ndo mo resume no to abama wa. Emrano no ofa kwan bia so etimi tie de ekos wo fam. Na wahu de omo hwehwe say ekwan a wo fa so no adwuma wo yema omo no mani so omo pe nsesan wo mu omo adwene fufu bi na no madi nkita ho no wahu e ha na nanom ba Jubilee House ebi chiam sa president ebi wo ha public yehu ebi kwan so enye public ebi anwumre bi na pa bi efi ni nyina akoso but say be ya be man region nyina so ehu say ampa waba no ma bedi kan na projects ekoso ni ade wahu ente eno na deepening of democracy omampanyin bi who he is and then traditional freebo UP, MPP, you can't democracy. We are the true preceptors of democracy in the country. It's unquestionable. The be a deep in democracy, yeah. And on my opinion, Sugusa or maybe no consort eboa will be a who and the Ocos or no answer or can be an amani who the Ocos, the neighbor share one in Conference Dinkomo or today a question. Those shots are told, I call the 5 years, very successful. Successful, I say, Nipano. Eje o mapanyin to our two and then yamen cha de yenua minister for information honorable Kojo Pon so started this live transmission of mapanyin tour and to be at me who dey akoso do just be na nkwa na akwa na okwe na oba amane na say ope bibi and say won penti what the report obi who dey akoso direct and then who nipa no so nipa no ani agese omo welcome mapanyin adan de omo kan nyina obi ehu pefe say ekwe eti enema akoso bebi wo ha me panyin hu bebi wo ha ye waba back ye basa hia na pamfo no ahwe no analyze what went on bebi wo see pejam na bebi wo so say yesesan kakra. That is the whole essence of amamu no ne the okoso eti ampa owie nso a wo say what district chief executives they represent central government at the district level. Amamu no be koso ya ni nyina agida your national government and your local government. And I saw this whole concept of decentralization. Remember, is just centralizing yama. You didn't know be good falco. The be yama no baby. Ani entry mu na mamu no enyina enko baby. And took her chapter 20 of the Constitution. Or say decentralization and local government. Your sharp Constitution say any kwase obema ni nyina aboa no etri honko a mani nyina enko baby na nipa ne embe yaban. Get closer to the people and the people get closer to government. And then that yes, deeping. You're saying in a local government and rural development. But over 2021, when pensions there be, you decentralization count. Now, encourage you say, Mama, you enter to ministry in quite integrity decision. Mama, you enter regional level. You man confirm. Now, be intimate. Until no quite was say, show me no tear direct from the MMDCs. No who they are cost now who they are. And okay, apart from 5 regions, there were 2 regions are now creating a frame. But you see, once you create those, it also affects the existing region. Sure. It will have northern region, na bako kakaka bako. Say your 3 room, your northeast region, and your savannah. Eti, woman pani ekai. Now you see, ewo constitution no 1969 1979 and a 1992 constitution, and you will ask why. A woman over the current one, chapter territories of Ghana, Article 5. A woman.
Okay. So even
I actually say a basse or man person or cheche regions more.
Okay.
A crime on fashion.
Okay.
And as I want to say, Sebastian person can't regions boom so a crime on fashion. And for it to have appeared consistently in all the three constitutions that we've had, it say a idea framers of you will say a bit me aba.
Even under a military rule.
Yes.
You will say young Fakuya Befasu Beche, your region.
Military Diana constitution behind.
Yeah.
But even under them. But the last one which was created 1983 was by the military regime.
Yeah.
They created our powers. Yeah. But also the history of the creations near what three regions, even territories of Ghana, Brana Gogis Best Mohon, three territorial na kakra ya separate bidu 83.
Okay.
But this is the first time ya fa constitutional processes so etimi but it's important to know, and that adds to the executive courage that President Leonardo had, because many of the petitions are buying na aba from the first 1992 BC, and it runs to all the petitions that Nana de buy.
Okay.
They have petitioned all former presidents for this almost start here.
The Fourth Republic.
Yeah, the Fourth Republic, yeah. Omunina. In fact, in that historic meeting that Mr. President had with the two former presidents, was it three former presidents? No. Yeah, it came up for discussion. Yeah, so Omunina have been seized with the matter. But we are not satisfied. I didn't talk about it. I didn't hear the best of no President Nana Akufo-Addo Bresso. And I'll share out or start a process and I'll share that team ministry for it. And through very close dealings with the chiefs and the people, opinion leaders, no, religious leaders, no, kakra, itimi yeah. As if said nothing happened. But I said, be a ma, come on. And the nipa no hwehwe no omosaka. Meaning politics no. It's all fakwan so nowadays she share.
Okay.
Pursuing policies and programs are best satisfy the innermost aspirations of the people. That is it. Okay. And then a can be brave so. Nipa say when wo hwehwe. Wasati aka in the case of Otidia, almost try to come out about him before independence. Before independence. Yes, wanting their region.
So Otipa so turn from voter region.
Yes. Before independence.
Eswaba mfaso amomo.
But I say that's what I dare to be shady all these years.
Yeah.
No kasope. Baby if you be savannah.
Yeah.
Let us mom them buy, ya be ready buy nature. Kwan ya wo fa so we bisa. Na person the patron swimje mu na munya egu ahom say the person aka. And you're one of those things. Eboa am I development ba. You can have brick and mortar, but if the people are not satisfied, one day all can crumble. And ni nyina ba eso aba fa so. Because obu bisa number two main things.
Okay.
Omo pese aban ben nipa no. Na nipa so ben aban. Say the medical chapter 20 of the constitution, but deepening democracy, decentralization, medical canon. And a munu, Sabayam Puntu Subacosun Tentem. 2019, and I don't almost human a referendum was 2018. So can't 3 years in here. Okay, say a really, you are talking about 3 years.
Sure.
But even then, the first one has been achieved. Government getting closer to, because all the apparatus of Abano, need to Nina Aben. Say some Obia regional minister.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Fine. Obia so nyano constitution ese wonya a rep okonasa the planning commission omanya. Ese regi bianya rep eco lands commission omanya. Ese wonya rep eco we wenya police committee, police council wenya. Nina and osha abanshi suspension need this no getting close to them. Aba. So first now regional house of chiefs about the constitution. Omi nadanum 5 enum and the national house of chiefs. Yeah. Nina say is your name representation or now but nina say oh ben and she no it will be out. Say the same land on the Bimeka as I said the same land mass northeast Edi Nipa nananu enum economic of trees. Northern region nananu enum economic of trees. Savannah also enum. Into the same landmass, and now they are having representation saying 15. And you cannot say the more you deepen representation, closer the people are. And for that matter, all states in the they are having all these people getting closer. Into original director of education, but I know Titamele, no coach repon, no aba, no akosola, no aba, no akosalaga, no aba bole, no or pretenders or survive. Now, Ubia with the regional director of education, Ubia with the regional director for rules, urban rules, feeder rules, way, regional director for agriculture. So all states in the money, about from much. And then, my parents can say, I said to me, some basic foundation infrastructure, okay. And also within 3 years, okay, who are dying. Say Ghana, ya buy, you 3 years beyond, he started reaching Ghana, Cominia, Adanya, who you know. Okay. Sakabakasia, they themselves have said yes. Infrastructure no need accelerated development of both. Everything point to the fast. Said the president, don't go for the MPP, they are going to achieve the main reason why they asked for the region. Okay. Honorable Daniel Kwakuboche, Minister for Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development, and and Komo, after President Adom Akufo-Addo touring the 5 northern regions, or the area, was Savannah region, and Ra, and home and community. You may cost to Ra, the ministry, me, Paisan say, Sem El Honum. 80, sir, Honorable Yaka say, because quite about what I'm we say, as a contractors need be delayed, you more air, and you took a bold decision. I revoke your contract as I reward the ABM. And because I chairman. Well, time last year you man no more delay mo. Say e didn't can contractor if you contract. Yeah. It's a mal contract. Okay. Pam. Sure. Men France translation business. No was sign contract. You know ya pam. Pam be answer when you say mu say pam you know you see ya ade we say. Yana idea adwuma na ma no ya from the SCA and I won't how ya adwuma no dey say we e bi abosom nsi abosom nwotwe afe e wo sanak waduru say e sanak wawie adwuma ne say na nipa no so abaso e so abed so nipa no so sebe omfa so here eti e do no na e say ya hye kete ne ya hwe ne ye enti say wo de adwuma ma nipa no na mra na say wo de ama so wonye no ne yonko awie ne de the same conditions the same everything payment levels wawie de be bosom nsi we be the Bible so means and the soon you would na one say the client no pano or person use ade no and they say wo channel on you say and say wo han who did that bro it all my say nyina ya makwan say by the contract regulations that say marado almost no montemnity don't for for say be content no my but we can also happily say be now so everybody I say well okay o share be ya de chairman penyin be 95% complete be 80 be so nyina so much say emla ombewie se be best ma koso ni asa aye je no so mo follow up and make sure say timelines na mo nyina mo agree no pepe no na be kwa and abeka say enam say what che nimu ketekete no Ghana fo nyina will benefit from value for money okay because ka first kedi papa aku free north itamale no akwa no akohwe no asaba okay no asako ha no akohwe no asaba say dey enam say mo che ntem supervision no question 10 and the boy my join him some more monitoring evaluation department mu we say na the more wo hwe na e question na de e che wo san ntem na obo mo chija na mo ye ntem no e ma nipa nso nya ho fa so ka say value for money unya ntem e ma e boa input to ne koso a e pese nipa nya ankwankwa na brabom e na o ma ni nyina brabom no e mi timi nya so emfa so o ma mu nyina ye nkronkuma mu empuntuo as a local government minister eso wani. Yes. So enamana ye mienu. One. Ese wonya enhyehyaya a wode adwuma no. Ansa na the results are ebe free ma badon so no. What as na ka me pe results say manya na science besanya here. You were one of the most the richest local government laws. Okay. Apart from the constitution eka MIS me dey kan chapter 20 no. Yeah. Yes, our Local Governance Act 2016. First maybe we have forces to say on the nyina be boom local governance act. Na extra the eso bia eh. Okay. DC will function. Presiding member adwuma eso wo ye. Assembly member bia wo di tu eso wo ye wo ho. E wo mbra nu local governance. There be a mechanism.
Okay. That's Act 936.
Radio phone munina. There be a number of second. Na say Juma yene and upon Kruma yene other sincere. You better na ya per time.
Okay.
For local governance. Most socialist society mobile na ebitriak. Mama na time about local governance. Okay. Yeah, depend understand. You fear say yeah. You check Ghana into 4 zones. Your ministry.
Okay.
Until your zone back it was 66 districts. Bono East plus the 5 northern regions.
Okay.
And your Ashanti, Bono, Western North near Hafo, 70 districts. And your Greater Accra, Western Central, and 65 districts. And your Eastern Uti and Volta, 60 districts.
Okay.
Yes. And a minister for Naya, your minister, Ubia Dabakuano. It may be a Yanisha, the echo ministry, the regional ministers.
Okay.
Very well. And on Penny Abuayana, you use ICT, so it's a very big dashboard. Yatimaya Bosumi Bia, DCBI, a one officer. Not what say in the web plan, the Bayer Bosumi way, Bosumi. The boy, I met him officer, minister for not by a computer. And ask him when he performs, he enters it.
Okay.
Not Yasha, near monitor. Now, if your man of photography said, what can wire?
Who can I say, who enter to our dashboard, central government? No,
instantly.
Yes,
yes, or work plan. Yeah, dear, I say so. The answer when you do it, you enter it.
Must have be a fetch that
exactly.
I send okay, say, Obesi school, Ebia, Asantema for municipal assembly, or Smesi school, Eobeni. Or the Abba, or see school because Messino within 3 months, Messia.
Exactly.
No man will be aqua say, send a walk and star anything. Okay.
But more importantly, what's that make regional Christians? I make say, the man in you know, you can say the soft side, they be a ultimate funds and some middle.
Okay.
Oh, such a section, okay, acknowledge assembly member, and some of a assembly meeting. As only for the assembly hono.
Okay.
Opinion leaders.
Like the electoral area.
Electoral area. So, okay, Autobano. And you say, Ophibium no coy.
Yeah.
When you saw no be a casai. Bocas, some quite he feel cruel so. Namne nananum kudin koma.
Yeah.
A man from who them message.
Sure.
I said, "Quite myself, oh, the baby may be chiam, maybe Mijina one, no, Apocasa. Sa opinion listed with us now, or pay to me, form, so no. Sanko phone. Any uncrown question, or be quite assembly meeting, as so new Michelle Sarwako. It's in the law, and yet optional. It is in the law. The duty of an assembly member. That's how the law comes down. When and no, or pay to me, no.
Okay.
And that's what I always say. In democracy, me a member of parliament for Okre. Ubia and Shamesam Kujana. And a minim. As a minya sabe entiase a jumana me say person me dem who coach na I am force me no.
Okay.
Ena makoye. Eti mintimi nkowura mu nwie. Na me nka say na say ade we de mintimi me ni abde be dead. Dead. You were elected and you were appointed.
Okay.
Eti ansana baka se obeye adwuma. Se o tie adwuma na pese koye na se. Na o carry una so adwuma we metimi aya na. Won dem eche. Nti eno e wo ho.
It so no find ways or create the environment ne electoral areas no eshia. Aju omo
marketing keten o chi nsu na wo de wako.
Okay.
And upon meetings so adwuma na omo ye no so. So because don't forget say how you need committee so o mase. Oh, use committee. I near old phone pa. There's only meaning I hear money ya. I'm what you man any din bebre. Now the air can ye, and I'm because the soft side. Say any in I hear you very well. Now, can or castle be sit down. Yes. But say this, apart from what assessing a dining do physical thing, as also assess on the real interrelationship between on a man for. And it's very important. Because say ye we ma drainage well high see see nyanye kra nipa no omo ti ase di ntia ye nyanye omo ti challenges that we face ase dealing with people and ne amanyesa and ne well amanyesa man say we person represent nipa no interest no
leadership
as so be nipa no ti ase even wo problem between to me I'm say enya too far off ye busuam ye fear I'm sure enye ne ma obese otoma o manyina yem nyina no ayam
yeah
if the wa kan so afio e dey ahwe abu meton ntade me ensam e bia enu hwe no wantimi anto bese udi ka chese family na se di nti a wantimi anye na se ni se a e ma botoyem kakra benya se enye ne de bebe onya anka onya ni nyina but the fact that woni ni din kita ho no so no eboa na se ukoso na DP sa relationship na and it's very important.
Okay.
Consultation, very key. Continuous engagement, very important. And sana de, or maybe sadie de omo no, and so abekam.
Okay.
Na se edu maybe na se wuntimi nye impo a, e se o mani pantia se sentia wuntimi nye. And in most cases, when it happens that way, ema peace, ema unity ba, ema seventia se, and you can get their buy-in because budget say, assembly bed omo plan. Annual action plan budget na.
Okay.
Eso bokono mone stakeholders in our meeting. Yes. Yes, I witnessed it in Okre, DC, very dynamic young man. Obeko maba, so the no aba, a brew, no mabe meeting, no ko hugwa, no ko eduku, no ko apede, no ko
sama draw.
Sisi so no akwa bonse, obeshi omnyina no akwa se onyina say, nananom krowe, ukrowe, afiwe, den edemani so a mo pese ye.
Okay.
Na oma yiri na omo hia wi a ansa na won akose assembly no work plan na say annual action plan.
So as MMDCs no unhia so betena office na wa assume say nkrofo we na no mekofo mo kwan so na nyanti o mehia kwan but maybe bia na at that moment na bia ensuo
level
na hunhia o
levels no priorities priorities
okay.
Because I'm sure say atiefo bit media dance here. There are places buying an answer assembly that call facility be a nipa ko use.
Sure.
What did I say? A bit me basa. There were this performance assessment. Yeah. Afibia yeah. Na apart from common funds kai kono.
Okay.
Your partners be so basa boy kwa ho. You take common funds can be to no so job that be count. Say yes. Yensa embassy can be based on performance. It is a oya udi mrano so uko meeting we say we take minutes order reports or share order report eba body adwuma say yes am mouse kebi kwaka ho.
Okay.
As an incentive to do more. Apart from the aban HN no.
Okay.
So we say performance assessment.
Okay.
To a friend depart. 80 ebinya and you can get last time I check ebinya as much as about 1 million Ghana cedis extra.
Wow.
Yes, apart from the common fund union, just because say we dimraso, why didn't say performance? That's why you say American say it say ukrom assembly or makoye audit committee report meeting. Ebi I want it.
Sure.
And yes, a dying school dying and yeah market I'll be who's oh my idea or market, but who here because on your audit committee you money ya sikabi ira Into assessment in the two things. There are no me also me emphasize me see a balance in the money meaning very well. Break and water here. I Messi market. Oh, why are the price market?
Yeah.
Yes. Men can say a one for so. But ne man can take to do one so. Some mo ya. Say no so man ya. E meska be share one hwe hu.
And the accountability
Exactly. Nti eno so there e be ka serve for so say ya che your regular monitoring. This dashboard you use computer aye niema say yetimi ye na afre Zoom meeting na ye ne asemefo no edin komo ma ye we den e koso omampanyin no ye Zoom meeting chief secretary no Zoom meeting yes no ye Zoom meeting ye gusu a ye se bia nipa no onya nka ye bi say me boss so no ehwe mi o
Damboche in the digitalization world. But we bo DACF District Assembly Common Fund.
Yeah.
Eka wo. Da be ne clear.
Maybe MP kakreni.
Okay.
Emrakwan so na de yehwe ni ye pa de a. Se skana etro na banjeje no.
Okay.
Kwota bia de bejeje no na emrakwan so no they said to come assembly said they come on.
Okay.
Then asada umra no administrator of common fund the formula they eche sika no eba parliament na parliament agye atum for afe no.
Okay.
Yeah. Nto wo hwe say sisi aye wo August, yes sir. Yeah. It is for say January kosi March. Etwama ye jiska ni wi a nanka yiwura April ma sika ka banji na kosi April ending there. nanka kota ne etwa mu no
okay
nanka yɛla kɔma na asɛm so de ayɛ adwuma but mmra no aban ntimi nhwɛ ma ne kontem sɛ de ha ne siko no ɛhɔ ana ɛyɛ aban sika gyegye no ne de onya ne tobi na pressure ba aban so ana wɔde akotwitwa ho kakra ansa na wɔde aba ɛyɛ ade a oba parliament mekɔ parliament 2009 abesamre no afi bia yeguso ya da bia ye ne aban yɛbɛpɛ bia ina kasa sika no constitution emra sɛ ho je sika da fakoma asɛm fo na ada na kyesa o ha na abafa so bɛ 1 or 2 bi na afi aban de arrest daba na watua na kaka yeguso and da bia we have never gotten it as perfect as we will wish it no but ade da bia you push aban say da bi hwɛ na sika no we akyɛ nti bi na abafa so bɛ 2 quarters na yet pressure to aban so na fe na ode aba
is it much am na ka be say
oh mean to me off my top of my head but aban first be 2 times enko yeah
okay because na o kan say MMDCs no nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyerɛ o manfo de ntie bia wontimi enye project say da bi o ko gina mo ne kwaye say oh me common fan mai na say amana ye bibia ɛwɔ no and I believe say under your leadership no say 2-3 ayi kwa na abafa so at least be clear say be ampuntu a various assemblies na ehwe no musa ebetimi aka aguso ehwe bedwam mpensempensemu enie on Adom TV meeting de akwasi insi entwa ho emraba afe ye di local government minister honkomo ye be di former general secretary of NPP honkomo e ba ese yes am wakwa ba biem oguso ehwe bedwam mpensempensemu bre on Adom TV honorable Dan Ekwaku botwe ena so en etwetwe enkomo ere efa enhye ya ahodo di egu akwam eye adwuma o local government ministry in fact decentralization so eka ho ebi honorable prior to 2016-2020 elections boshe bia through mo leader Nana Addo Dankwa now president of the republic share one village one dam one district one factory a lot as local government minister how are you liaising with other ministers as a projects in na assure mercy to make sure say it sit well with amanfo
yeah
example one district one factory ebi mu raise concern say yet see ebetimi de aboa ama ye seed na na ho ne etiba form no ebetimi apagya the question is eniema be na yesete ho factory ewo Ghana as compared to niema be na Ghana for kondo antimi ye dollar eco credit free amno ne e de eba so as local government minister say na woni these ministries easy to make sure say ne yes de ye nkonkosi nwe man ko wi echi no ensa me ye white elephant bi fa me yan fa so bi anhyeda so enfa me yaso man
okay em say nkoba ye din na de be can say your national government
yeah
the local government say can say na was no be na offer say or wha even though assembly share ase no abani nyina
sure
because say omo na education omo na agric omo na industry omo na bibia energy bibi nyina na yes pass ebenya party ane abanya wone amanfo science our social contract na or what vision okay so without vision our people they perish say nananu ebedi ade no mu swan what say be bia person do manfo ekudu
okay
we should appreciate why we should have a vision because without that we need direction bia and so na pen why we why there be there be person me ni there person me de ekudu me say mo hay joy FM for multimedia
sure
mo ye okope consultant ma draw 5-year plan ma ye e bia next 4 years there person yi ni but I feel there person yi nyina ni se akona ni ma review ya ka say be say but you feel say ya to sin percentage we ni nya yes program so in principle having a very good vision having very good policies na me ka say apart from say yen UP tradition MPP for no ye pace a test of true democracy in Ghana no yes any party a de bia ye dwenhwe kan de bia the policies eba oka social intervention policy president ko 4 time I mean, you can go back to Prime Minister Buzia. He was in power for 27 months. 27 months. But people can still talk about Buzia's rural development agenda. Clear, he had a vision, and you cannot take it away. President Kofo Baye, and your man in here, free maternal care, no agenda, no diaba. Now, only bus service, a good metro bus, no diaba. Health insurance, no diaba. Oh, leap, no diaba. School feeding. And then you say, what dream, what the ideas ba?
Okay.
The first of the ideas, that batch say, and one on its own, immediately you achieve 100%. But that should not stop you from dreaming to have a vision what is good for the people. And having the courage to, as it were, as you monitor it, change it to meet the concerns of the people. And that's who we are. That's what we are. Not urban. Yes. 1D, 1F. You know, you factories are never.
Yeah.
Medicine is in by diversity implementation committee. I don't know what that. Diversity implementation committee. Abanye manema na yaye no. Ekwa be fa so ebe den. Ye be ye free ho na atoma nkrofo. Some government came to do that. Yen yaba. Visionary president Nana Adom Akufo-Addo and the party say there be say ye dwene say ye benya bebia no because all kind act 936 one of the duties of a assembly bia or say executive, deliberative, and legislative powers now. Second one, shall promote local economic development. Yeah. So, duties of an assembly.
Okay.
I can't shall be the next one is section 12 shall promote local economic development. Functions of a district assembly. A district assembly shall exercise political and administrative authority in the region. A. B. Promote local economic development. Sir, in the law. Local economic development idea. Oh, it is American a vision here. One is one factor. Yeah, yes, yeah. Can I forbid that dance here? Say, apart from the who a confused just yeah. Yeah, Chroma say, the many it is to be potato, sweet potato. Eh? Okay. Now, where am I? Ultimately, a pound, ultimately, cake near the other. NC or Dana Donko Kufado Beso. NC was entire region. NC. Yeah. So many times of over 100 effective. Not the year quick. Oh, quite Dambaya. Okay. Dambay Nifansu. Who said, produce Uti Nasa making Bayer or Hopa. Bayer factory. Ah, Maya, so much chips, would be a spot man. Young media for Moody, Chimuko, Muhu, and Wahok, yes, and Yana system. Nani, I call a Bimbila, another factory. Ewa ya so mu bia ba yire pa na ba na ka team as afede ye the factory akwa say we be twa ba yire no o ye bi powder wetu da ifufuo ene ade the credit say vision president Anakofu nya MP from ka so be one of ya de papa na sanya de papa ya de papa be ya je ye sa kan say me man ko say aban sika and ko say na ju factory ya ton na shoe factory ya say obi on say aban dia we see nya yade atum say aban dia na say asohwe nya na afye yes atum
so it means aban ni ma dia asohwe
well if it be history yen hwe aban factories no see no from president Kumatam na ewen nti dia kan say there be dia no ye beboa so pese wo see bibi wa ha ye be ma incentives bebe tax I see obi etu ya exemption ye be ma ye be pa asase ama wo ese o maka akwa akọ e be hwe ne aye the sisi the aban from obe yama wi a sebe wo ba na be obesi ade ni so be fa nipa aye employment aye kan yin na nye nipa nya na wo aban payroll so obe create employment obe tua tax obe tua social security sa na aye and as it goes on omo roll up on you go so aye idea say bo aban ba so say onya sa vision na one just one factor dey aba yegusu kakra.
Are you satisfied with the implementation of these policies?
Oh yes, very much satisfied so. But why not? In any enterprise, in anything you do, no, as a time go on, Minister of Trade and Industry, no, any secretary share for instance, challenge Omunya. Nani many of them meeting or no, they were having a meeting, yeah, Kofodria.
Okay.
And I just bumped into them, and I know many meeting more, and I'm more church. No, my friend artisans they bring about Kofodria. I think 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
I am no meeting. They are not person here. Person here. We person Mako says okay. They need me idea about. And no, any edumana as a bansha or yeah. ne abure ankwankwan no se makokwa no yam no abage no aton a so ba fa nipa akuafo no ombedua mako no wa create indirect employment yes sir ome be ban so be boa me ayamade ne ya bage ade no wa create employment
sikasema exactly
Ghana they are doing.
As an astute politician and a long-standing one indeed, what would be the short-term measure officer Bambe Timiaya Masa Sikasema Unyia and Prim Ghana for a comui? Alice Combe Timia Kakra.
I'm saying, you know, bet Jatum say, we are say, a year. Nana Mukra Sabe, Moshina Diana, Moshe, Mokanya, maybe Brena, Moya media joining. As a more Kakamon Besebeka say, we are say, I won't tell Abenya. By the way, the Ben Yat say we are say ha. Ship a free Ukraine, CNN, BBC, we are seeing na Ekucha Hufuto. The Ben na media for multimedia na baby and BBC be. Ben no ote say ship will be a free any free Ukraine air news. Why is it not news today? Even the Pope had to comment on it. Why? But yeah, you don't want to accept say Bibi na AC. And I'm a winning about affecting the whole world. They are cost. Oh, your budget, like I say, fuel is $62. That's the funded echo $120. And $100. Certainly, we see some a home betting. I may be a cost. We are seeing now a cost. But then, of course, you are near the swap.
Yeah.
And any leadership.
Yeah.
Now, friends, so I said, on Penny can you never be to a crema, a Beshama Sunday may win an etimabe from. I did the pass a Sa a hotel about a man's baby. Ebi key for petrol. Ebi petrol sem yeden. But osha ha and kososa. Oh, ebi osha cover time here. Ebi ankwa ebi inipedi. Ebi says okwa ebesi kwa process dem a. Then omaka one guy say this Obama 2025 24 because time I cover the buy nipa be free mo. Airlines, what are the airlines saying? Say say oko other European countries the airline problems because COVID time here then you pay for.
Okay.
What I say, yen obi any na waka say COVID time. Obtain few 6 months 8 per month I encourage you be 8. I know just say how change.
Okay.
But we also have to understand the concept.
It dear nam primpri.
Oh, they are concerned the same make is yeah a bunch say economists. You be way, you be gina we kakra, you be push we akoha because they okay that all hit the factory no.
Yeah.
I said, oh yeah, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, we see factory. We say we produce we na and my economy boom immediately because of that. I don't think China for near there. You quite you come as 1 year, 2 years, or me and no munyas. But a foundation here for the future growth. That because the vision.
Okay.
Oh, it's a CIA can. Ebia the enema ye produce I see a NF export to buy way some potato juice near dinner. That's biano, and yet that be media feature and for so baby. But for now, the government is the management of the economy, and I believe we have the competent hands to do that. And then biano, kakra.
Okay.
I would say NTBA, like Mr. President kind, you be free.
Aside government developmental projects, I would award your partner in home so for 2024. Who gauge you party mood as a former general secretary and the general who is your party crowd to break the 8?
Oh yes, but you see, let me explain this.
Okay.
NPP, and I've told you the tradition and who we are.
Yeah.
You're electoral machine. The party does not exist just to win elections. And you're a party. No.
NPP was not formed to win.
Only just to win elections. Why? We are from where you say, yeah, the programs, the policies are. Ebeba, yame boy no me nyansa na beni passport na. Ni digu ho na. Ankra and no mamuni nyina benya mpuntu. Anything at a party.
So even in opposition,
at a party.
So even in opposition, MPP were mindset say betimi what shape the mind of
regularly we're coming out with ideas. Regularly, sector by sector, we're holding press conference. Opposition for what is on my press conference can be say only policy. And yet you, the media, will not challenge them. They have been in power before. They want to come again. Have you any of you ever asked them? What alternative do you have for what is going on? What do they have? I've mentioned from President Kofor time the policies that did not exist. President Kofor time MPP they buy school feeding, they buy health insurance, LEAP, they buy. Me say, You buy one day, one F, free senior high school, one village, one dam, one this, one for. You saw that agenda 111. You saw it when you went round. One remote places here call here agenda 111. You go so expanding over 100 health infrastructure. Tell me, NDC beyond brick and mortar. What did they call for taxes there? Says what they car going. What did they call for taxes? So this is school die. So that's why almost everybody.
Well, see, because of that infrastructure project, I'm saying
that. I'm just telling you that. Okay. That one, almost every government will do that.
Okay.
Because what you vote, but you got ideas.
Okay.
I just mentioned ideas. Social intervention policy. You're challenging them for all the time. One, they've never been able to bring any policy, intervention policy, and whilst in the opposition, they have all the time. You know? Still, from 1992, 1996, we were holding regular press conferences, sector by sector, telling Ghanaians what to do. NDC, me say, why on last time we come press conference, or late to there, or policies for the say, or the unfortunate events or member power now, what they will do? Maybe some other.
Okay, NPP were traditional, what they year flag bearer.
Oh yes, yeah, dear. So no afraid do move for, but because nema one. Okay. Yeah, and one beautiful thing about NPP is this.
Okay.
Okay. We have the courage to look at nema idea too. So NPP didn't have a national organizer.
Okay.
I was director of operation and research in 1996. National organizer was not in our constitution. It came into our constitution in 1998 when I was elected as general secretary. First time, Kwashigane Inusa contest here. Yeah. We didn't have deputy general. Who was my deputy general secretary? We didn't have it. But we didn't have Nasara. This is who we are. When we went ahead and then had this premise for presidential one, we didn't expect to be in the paper. Then 17 people at 20. We first said, so it wasn't in our constitution. We were bold enough. We had a constitutional amendment. So, okay, fine. Even if 100 people want to contest, no problem. But there will be a special electoral college that will see it to say 5. Then we present it. So this is who we are.
Can there ever be a Dombo leading MPP?
There's nothing like that. There's nothing like that. We don't sit there and say, whoa, the party. Well, that I just told you. Okay. We have a constitution. Okay. It tells who, how to select our president candidate.
Okay.
Time no so you be.
Okay.
Say, but say you more than 5. You be special college near 5. Yeah. You 5 new year. You be man for you deepening. Every police station executive, about almost 200,000 people, better near you will be or send no photo at that time. That's how it is done. You can say a DA, a DB, or DC. But this is a confer of either out of ignorance or out of mischief.
Okay.
We have the constitution and we also in constitution. Okay. We follow it and and it says us very well. If at any point in time we have to look at our constitution amendment, we do, and we have done it consistently. Okay. That's who we are. You know, because about democracy, there, you know, we are the.
But I say, Honorable Daniel Kwaku, Minister for Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development. Meaning the Akwesi in Sanaseka Kuma production team, Dominic Sia, Buakofi, Ampadu, Priscilla, a couple, a technical crew, camera, sound, light, floor managers, Nyaso, Yadamas. Nyakopon Yad, Mamande, or Mahina Kwabana Santino Bediashia, or Badwam Jumedia. Background.